Hi, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, respectively, as per your time zones.
Hey,
Now,
good morning.
yeah, good morning. Fine. So, first, let me talk about the program. What are the two different programs we have? Then we'll jump into the agenda, what we have for today. So, when we talk about two programs, the program one and the program two. The one is Oracle Fusion Financials online training. The other one is 100% job guarantee program on Oracle Fusion Financials. I will not take much time to talk about the program 2. Now the agenda for program 1. The session what we are conducting purely for program 1. So the program 2 may be useful for few guys. By keeping that point in the mind, I'm going to talk about it. It may provide good insights for you. So when you talk about the program 1, the duration would be 2 months. You are going to start and complete within 2 months. The program 2, duration is 6 months. The time, or say days, Monday to Saturday. Days, we are running 7 days. But 7th day, Sunday is not mandatory. Who wants to become powerful, they can come. But 6 days mandatory. 6 days. Monday to Saturday mandatory. Sunday, I could see on the floor 40 to 50% guys are coming on Sunday also. Timings. Online classes, say 1 hour 30 minutes to max 2 hours. Let's take 2 hours. Less than 2 hours. If we all are interested, we can stretch more than 2 hours also. But here, the timings 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. But those are not enough. What we say, we expect the people to spend minimum 12 hours per day. If not possible, at least 10 hours per day. So this is how these two programs are designed. So after completing this program 2, you can crack any interview. If you attend 10 interviews, 10 interviews you can crack. You may claim 2 years, 5 years, 10 years, or 15 years of experience. Still you can crack. That capacity you get, not only cracking interviews, you'll be able to perform whatever the work you get. That much powerful this program is. This would be for around 50, more than 1500 hours. So this would be around 100 hours. In program 2, you will become equal to me. I've been into this market for last 18 years, more than 18 years. I worked on EBS 11, I worked on EBS R12 and fusion applications. You'll get complete clone of my knowledge, skill set, experience, and mindset. Everything you'll get. You will be equal to me. You'll be equal to me if you are part of this program. If you have any option, better you join program 2. I would recommend, even you don't have option, join program 2. If you don't have any option, at least be part of program 1. Program 1. Yes, after completing program 1, you'll be learning at least the level what you required. So that will help you to get ready with the Oracle Fusion Financials application, like, different applications. Anyway, we'll talk about those applications. So these are the 2 programs we have. So with this, you'll become powerful. You can just say you have a 10 years experience, you can match to that level of skill set you get. Nothing will stop you when you are working. You will be learning everything, you will be exercising everything, you will get experience also. We are not going to leave anything. Tomorrow, if you go and meet 10 years experienced person, what they know, what they can do, yes, you will be able to do. I can say you will be knowing better than that person in terms of product skill set point of view. The product functionality point of view will be far better than the people who are already working. Only the difference is they worked, you didn't work, but equivalent experience you'll get, you'll exercise everything, you'll build the muscle, whatever required, which will keep you comfortable whenever you get into the project. So that is the difference between these 2 programs. Now let's talk about our program.
Yeah, Lakshman.
Yep.
In the program 2, do
One
you cover
second.
technical?
I'll take all the questions after some time, if it is okay.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah. Just make a note. If you come across multiple questions, the best practice, just make a note in your system. Maybe you may write on the paper and you may just capture in the notepad or spreadsheet, etc. I would recommend to capture each and every point what we are discussing. Okay. As we know, it is not for entertainment. You capture each and every point, have a pen and paper, have a big size notebook and capture each and every point. So if you understand no use, you have to apply all this. That is the reason, capture each and everything. So don't depend on the videos. Yes, you will get each and every session video for sure. Once we complete the session, within 30 minutes, you'll get access to session video from every session till last session. For the entire program, you'll get recording videos, but don't depend on those. Don't make a plan. I'll play those videos and I will learn again. 99% it won't happen. So whenever you attend, that is only the opportunity. Please capture each and everything into your notebook. You should be busy in capturing the points into your notebook. And if you have any questions, just make a note. If you have any questions, make a note. Once we get into the core discussions, so I will allow everyone to ask the question then and there. Okay, then and there you can ask, or else we'll go with the best practice. What works better for all of us, accordingly we can make a plan. So, or else end of the session or mid of the session or beginning of the session, or whenever you get the question, you can stop and you can rise. We'll see what works for us. Accordingly, we can make a plan. So we'll just do that alignment. And again, another point upfront, I'm telling you, I'll talk about few other points about this program, After that, what you can do is, if you have any questions, please be in the right environment. Okay, be in the right environment. Make sure you don't have a background noise. You don't have internet connectivity issues where you speak, I cannot listen. I speak, you cannot listen. Okay, and background lot of sound would be coming, some kids will be playing, some cooker whistle will come, right? Many different variety of experiences. So this all try to kill. Be in the right place if you have any questions. If you don't have any questions, even you don't have questions, be in the meeting till end of the session, because you can learn a lot. Not only what I speak, you will learn a lot from the questions what other participants are going to ask. Once you learn Oracle Fusion Financials, you are going to work as a consultant. When you say consultant, the meaning is who asks more question, that person we call as a consultant. Consultant job is asking questions. Answering to the question secondary. First, asking questions is the primary task. So that is the reason throughout this journey of this program, so be ready to ask hell number of questions. If you ask one question, I'm okay. If you ask 10 questions, I'll be happy. If you ask 100 questions, I'll be very happy, because you are going to learn. Even that is my target. So get ready with the multiple questions, and I would encourage everyone to ask the questions. Who is going to ask the questions, they'll become powerful. Who are going to ask the questions, they will become powerful, because you are not going to learn the technical program related course. It is pure functional course. So you should be ready to ask the questions, or else you should create and ask the questions. Very important, very important. The session, I expect it would be more interactive. Yes, that window we will open after some time. First, let me talk about this program. So already discussed a few points. Okay, the program name is Oracle Fusion Financials. It is going to be online training. Duration would be 2 months. The days, Monday to Saturday. Timings would be like time, the duration would be 2 hours, or you can say 1 hour 30 minutes or 2 hours more than. We'll see which works for us. Accordingly we can align it. There is no big challenge, no hard and fast rule to fix it. And the total duration you can expect 100 hours. So in this program, what you get, and the timings, the exact timings, start and end. So initial 10 days. Okay, initial 10 days, we are going to start at 8 a.m. IST and we'll close it by 9:30. When I say 9:30, I will stop my discussions. Means whatever I'm going to share with you, that I will stop by 9:30. From 9:30, we can talk about what are the questions we have. Yes, you can ask questions in between. Say we will talk about concept 1. If you have any questions, you can ask then and there. When we talk about concept 2, between this 8 to 9:30, if the question related to concept 2, if you are talking about concept 2, you can ask. Apart from the topic, relevant topic, you may have a number of questions. The questions may be based on previous classes. While you are practicing, you may come across with the different challenges. Whatever the questions you will have, those all we can park and we can discuss after 9:30. It may take 30 minutes or 1 hour or 2 hours to discuss, but we will discuss. We are not going to ignore any questions. There won't be any practice. You will be messaging me through chat. I will answer no. Directly you can unmute and you can ask your questions. So that kind of arrangement we can have. So initial 10 days, we will plan 8 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. From 9:30, I'm not going to discuss anything with you as a part of that today's that our specific day agenda. From there, we will have a Q&A. So depending on how many questions we have, we will stretch 30 minutes, 1 hour or more than 1 hour. After 10 days, our timings, we will slightly prepone for the convenience of most of the participants based on our past batches, which we handled. The trainings what we delivered based on that, based on our experience. So we will prepone it to 7 a.m. and we will run it up to 9 a.m. This is IST only. IST. So this is how we are going to have a time schedules. This is how we are going to have a time schedules from today. So the guys who are joining today's session as a demo, for them it is demo. Who committed to continue in this program, for them it is a first session. Okay, we are not going to have any break in between. Today's session would be first session, tomorrow's session would be second session, and in between the Sunday can break, and next session would be third session. That's how it is. So it is not like demo. Who are thinking as a demo, it's demo for them. Otherwise, this is the first session. Okay, we will have a continuous sessions by following today's session. So that's how it is. So from this program, what are the different applications you are going to learn? Let's see that. Okay, I'll just talk about for 10 to 15 minutes. After that, we'll get into Q&A, because today is the first session. I'm not planning to speak from my side. I'm not going to talk much from my side. The very important thing is I should hear from you, so that I can answer to all those queries, so that you will become more comfortable about this program. You will be in the position to take the decision also. There are, see, we have multiple tools in this. Few guys are trying to do the drawing, etc., knowingly or unknowingly. Please don't do that exercises. Yeah, please, let's focus on the session. That's my request. I know, like, you are not interested in the drawing, but still it is happening somehow. Please don't get into that. You might be attending from the mobile or other devices. Those may not be very much convenient and flexible to view the screen. You may touch here and there. Those may pop up. We do understand, but please look into those. That's a big request. So from this program, what is our learning? We'll be learning the different applications. We'll talk more detail level. Just here I want to outline, since it's a very, very first session. We'll be learning Oracle Fusion, General Ledger application. These all are applications. Don't try to see what is there inside of Oracle Fusion General Ledger. That we will learn after some time. Takes time. Takes time. So Oracle Fusion accounts payable application. Oracle Fusion accounts receivable. Please go on mute. Let me do that once again. Yeah. I'll just open the window for Q&A. For now, let me talk, please. Oracle Fusion cash management application. Oracle Fusion fixed assets. Oracle Fusion tax. Oracle Fusion expense. So these 5 applications are primary applications. These are the 4 strong pillars. 5 strong pillars. So 4 strong pillars means these are the 4 strong pillars. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is here. So these 4 are strong pillars for this financials applications. Okay, these all applications deals with the finance. You take whatever I'm selecting. Tax also related to finance, fusion expense. These all applications deals with the finance. Means within these applications, the data what we capture, it is not related to your manufacturing data. It is not related to your warehouse data. It is not related to your XYZ data. This data, whatever the data you maintain within these applications, it is related to money related data. That is the reason these applications we call as financials applications. We'll talk more detail level. Okay, today just don't expect to learn anything from this? This is more like Q&A session, but I want to give basic inputs, basic idea what we are going to learn. That's it. So these are financials applications. In all these applications, we are going to maintain finance data. Whose finance data? Not our finance data. Company related finance data. How to maintain the finance related data, we are going to learn from this program. And you may have few questions. So will it be difficult or easy? Very easy. If you ask me this question, my answer is, if you know how to use WhatsApp, how to use Facebook, how to use Instagram, if you know how to use these applications, which we call as social media, these all applications belongs to the family called as social media. So these all applications we are calling as social media, and by grouping Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, Instagram, these all applications we can group and we can call as social media applications, or we can say these all applications belongs to social media applications family, because all the applications purpose is social media related data exchange. The same way, these all applications related to finance, that is the reason these are all applications we can call as financials family related applications. This all deals with the same purpose is to maintain the finance related data. The same way we discussed about social media application, purpose is same. You will use for your social media purpose to exchange the data, to communicate the messages, to have interactions. It could be audio, video, or messaging. That's how we use. Now, when we learn these applications, when you plan to learn these applications, you may have a big question. I'm very new to this IT, and I never worked on any system applications. I'm an accountant, or else my background is totally different. We no need to worry about it. Don't worry about your academic backgrounds. I'm telling this point with my years of experience, what I have seen, what already proven. The people whose background is BTech, BSc, MCA, BTech, I can say BCom, MBA, or MCom, or it could be CA, ICW. These are all the background, other different bachelor degree background holders all did these programs, they got the job, and they are able to work. By looking at the term called as financials, you no need to worry about it. Every day in our life, we are dealing with the finance. You have money in your bank account, that is finance. You go to shop, you buy something, you are dealing with the finance. You are buying and you are paying. When you buy and pay, other side, the shop owner, shopkeeper, or someone else, they are selling to you and they are collecting money from you. You are involving in core cycle of finance. The finance here primary are two activities in the finance world: buy and pay, sell and collect. Other side, you maintain the balance in the bank account, and we will take care of assets. As individual, we have assets. You have your laptop, that is asset. You have your mobile for sure, that is your asset. Okay, and you have some balance in your bank account, that is your asset. So we are dealing in day out with the financials. Again, when you look at the term called as financials, you should not see it is something new. No, every day we are dealing with the financials only. So we no need to worry about by looking at your academic background. Any bachelor degree is enough, if you ask me. It is not, I am not deriving it. That is working. By looking at market, how it is trending, accordingly I'm telling. Okay. The market is working with the BTech guys. Market is working. I'm talking about Oracle Fusion Finance only. not other relevant other things. Okay, so irrespective of academic backgrounds, people did this program, they got job, they are working without any challenges. Still, if you are thinking finance is finance, what I would say is you may spend 2 3 hours to go through one video on basic finance. That is enough. There is no big gap. This is what we have to understand. The second point is what most of the people I could see as a question. I don't have any kind of IT experience. I'm completely new to this. I am from teaching background. I am from so and so other background XYZ. What I would say is you no need to worry about what experience you are carrying. Forget about your experience. And you no need to worry if you don't have any experience. You no need to worry about if you have some experience on some other applications. You don't need to worry about if you have only end user kind of experience on Oracle applications or SAP, etc., etc. Forget about your past. If you ask me, I would say forget about your past. So when you start this journey, I would expect only two things from your side. Any bachelor degree, that is the first point. Second one is you should be able to speak in English, in English without any mistakes. 2 points. Okay, you need degree, any bachelor degree, and English. If you are able to speak in English without mistakes, you are eligible for this program. You should have any bachelor degree. I have seen a few guys, they have degrees in the hotel management. They did this program, they got job, they are working. I'm sharing my experience. I'm not trying to educate. I'm just sharing whatever I have seen. So any bachelor degree will work. And English, if you are able to speak in English without mistakes, you don't need to have any accent kind of thing. No posh English is required, nothing is required. If you are not killing the people with your English, that is okay. My point is, my term killing is totally different. Don't map to the real killing. Killing means you're troubling others. Okay. So if you are not going to trouble others with your English, you are eligible. Okay. These are the 2 points. Forget about the past. From your degree, if you have a gap, that is good enough. What people are doing in the market, you can do the same. Okay. What people are doing in the market, they're claiming the experience and they're applying for the job. That you may do it, or else you may try as a fresher. But when you talk about fresher and all, there are less openings. I'm not saying no openings, less openings are there. But when you talk about experience, there are many openings in the market. Even most of the companies are looking for experienced people. What market is looking for, accordingly, people are dressing up and they are saying hi to the market. What reality people are doing, they're learning, they're claiming the experience, they're trying for the job. This is the reality in the market. You can plan what works for you. So that these are the points. These are the points you should understand before jumping into this. So when you talk about Oracle Fusion Financials, there is no technical stuff within this. Technical stuff. You are using WhatsApp, you are using Facebook, you are using Instagram. You never written any coding. You never written any programming, right? Just you sign up, you just do some settings, some privacy settings and other profile, etc., etc. Then you'll start using that application. In the same way, these applications also we can use. When you compare these applications with those applications, social media applications, those are small size applications, very, very small size. Compared to those applications, these are little bigger because these applications are used by companies. The applications what we discussed, those are used by mostly individuals, sometimes company also. It could be company or individuals. The scope of usage is very less. What you do hardly, you can post something, you can share something, you can like something, you may comment something. That's it. There are no other great things you can do. If you can do something else, rest all are aligned with the points what we discussed. So those are designed for individuals for communication purpose, but these applications are designed and developed for companies to maintain their finance related data. I don't want to get into this more detail level. In tomorrow's session, you will understand what we have inside of Oracle Fusion General Ledger, accounts payable, accounts receivable, cash management, fixed asset, tax, expense, etc., etc. We'll come to know the colors of these applications. Means what is there inside? Colors means what is there inside? Nothing is there inside. Pretty simple things are there inside. That's what you have to understand. If you ask me the what is the easiest course to learn, I would say financials, not because I'm teaching. Okay, that is a reality in the market. No coding, you no need to break your head when you are learning. You no need to break your head when you are working also. So that much pretty simple. Again, these applications are pretty straightforward. Okay, it's see how simple it is. If you have money, you go to the shop, you pay and you pick the product. It won't be like you'll be manufacturing the product. Manufacturing the product means it's a big process. Buying and selling pretty simple tasks. So these financial applications are very much straightforward. There are no multiple steps and too much of process driven. It's a simple and straightforward, which we see in our real life. The point of view will be changed. As an individual, we have experience in terms of buying. Sometimes you might have sold something. Say you might have sold your old bike, old car, or old stuff, something else. That experience also more or less many people got. So, but company point of view, okay, the point of view is different. POV point of view. Individual point of view, we know how to buy mostly. Sometimes how to sell, we know. But company point of view, how company buy, how companies sell. When they are buying, what process they follow. When they are selling, what process they follow. And that's it. We are going to understand from financials. Along with that, how they maintain their balances in the bank account, how they maintain their assets. When you say company assets, land, building, furniture, etc., etc. So pretty simple applications when you talk about financials. We'll have a deep dive. We'll get into more details in the tomorrow session. Today's session, I want to limit to take the Q&A. I just thought of giving very high level information about the program, the timings, duration, and what applications we are going to learn as a part of this program. Who can do this program? If you ask me who can do, anyone can do who has a bachelor degree and who can speak in English. My sincere request is don't get into this program if your English is not okay. I have seen many people, I suggested to many people, like they are interested, but I seriously suggested don't join because they says I can manage. Yes, you can manage this program. You cannot manage your client. You cannot manage your company, team members or HRs. Many people you cannot manage if you are not okay with English. If you have a kind of the feel as, yes, I can understand English when some other person is speaking, that is not enough. I'm clearly telling, if you are able to speak in English without mistakes, then only you join. Otherwise, you are going to waste your money, you are going to lose your confidence, and you will get into the different track. And time also you are going to lose. Very, very important. Okay, money, time, confidence. These are pretty much important things. Those you will lose if you get into this program. It could be any program. It could be any program. Anyway, program two, we don't allow the people if they are not okay with English. Program one, yes, that is up to you because we are not promising, there is no guarantee here. You will be learning for sure the applications in the proper way, how those functions, how Oracle design, what are the use cases, what are the processes, how these applications are connected, and process flows. Everything you will understand. Everything you will learn Oracle Fusion Financials applications. Along with these applications, you will have 15 hours real-time learning. Okay, 15 hours real-time learning how the projects would be, implementation projects, support project, rollouts, upgrade, what are the documents we prepare, and in interview related points. And again, I'll facilitate the profile also. Okay, after completing this program, you can just use that sample profile and you can align as per your experience and you can use. Okay, we'll have a interview related session. We'll have one session how you have to prepare for interview, and in between I'll be discussing few points how you have to get ready with this learning. Those would be there anyway. So
Okay,
that's the expectation. Yeah.
one question here then.
Yeah.
Are you going to provide any instance to practice this, or how does
Yes.
it work?
Yes. So you will get access to instance. Otherwise, it doesn't make any sense. Yes, you will get access to instance. Because you will go through the classes in the session, you'll get access to instance. Instance is the application. Oracle Fusion applications are software where you can see these applications. General ledger, accounts payable, account receivable, cash management, fixed assets. You'll see all these applications. Then whatever we do in the class, whatever I'm going to do from my side to train you, the same you will be replicating as your practice. Yes, you will get instance access. The duration of this program, as we discussed, it is 2 months. Okay, 2 months program, and you will get access to instance for 4 months. Okay, you might be working, you might be quite busy, you may not get time to practice. That is the reason you will get access to instance for 4 months. 4 months
This is a
instance
cloud
access you
instance,
will
right?
get.
This is a cloud instance, right?
Yeah, you will get cloud instance. Yeah, completely cloud. Everything is cloud. Yeah. So on premise, no, we are just mostly nobody is using these days with respect to Oracle Fusion applications. So you'll get cloud access on. You can access those instances from your mobile also. Of course, from mobile you cannot practice. That is not that much flexible, but you can connect from any device. You can connect. So that's how it is. Yes, you will get access to instance for 4 months, or the program duration is 2 months, and you will get access to complete course videos. Okay, so you'll get access to videos.
Yes. So
Yeah.
will you be going into the schema level details for each of these modules, or how does it work? Like from a table level structure and SQLs and querying and those things respective to the tables.
You no need to do all those things, but you guys, if you want to understand, I can take one session. So I can take one session like how to write the basic SQL queries, because that is not our job. Okay, when you get into some issue, you may write basic SQL select statement, select query. Okay, and in the classes you will come across all the tables also. We have one concept called as the Oracle repository. Okay, Oracle repository. There we'll have access to all the templates, all the tables, schemas, everything you will see there. And as a part of this program also, I'll take you through, not if you are interested already, that is there as a part of this program. I'll take you through how to write SQL query, because we are going to touch some BAE environment, business intelligence, which is related to report. So there you will come across how to write the SQL query also. Yeah, you will be learning what you have to understand when you are learning Oracle Fusion Financials. We'll be releasing the curriculum also tomorrow. Okay, we will release the curriculum tomorrow so that you can go through, so and you can validate it. Now the window is open to take the questions. If you have any questions, please raise your hand. I'll take your name so that you can ask your questions. When you ask your questions, make sure your background is okay. It will support, means there should not be too much of background noise, etc. Or else please move to the right place, then you ask the questions. There should not be noise. If you have a noise from your end, the background noise, so you are not going to be entertained with the answers. So please make a note. That is a request. Okay, it's not a rule, it's a request. Please. Now, Shashi, please go ahead with your question.
Yeah, hi. Hi, good morning. I'm from
Yeah.
Pune, based out of Pune. So, my query is the Oracle Fusion instance that you will be providing. So, that will be the latest instance, right? I mean, because nowadays Oracle has gone into something called OMBP, the Oracle Modern Best Practice, also
Yes.
in terms of the AI part, right?
Yes.
So we will be undertaking that into consideration, right, Srinivas?
Yes.
Okay.
You will get access to very latest instance which Oracle is offering. That only you get. Latest instance access you will get. Yes. Any other question from your side, Shashi? If you don't have any questions, I'll move to someone else.
I have just one more question, Srinivas. Just one. So it is like for the second part too. I'm asking. So is it
See,
the?
one point here, your name, my name is not required.
Mhm,
Okay.
mhm.
So let's ignore the names and
Yeah,
the drawing, some artist. 1 second, please.
I don't know.
Yeah, no, not you. Just, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Please don't touch the drawing tools. I can understand you might be attending from mobile XYZ. Yeah. The
Yeah.
point is for other guys, like, so your name is not required. You don't need to introduce. You are from where, what is your name, your experience, etc. Nothing is required. And ignore my name also. Just suit your question. I'll answer. When you ask the question, also concise. Don't beat around the bush. Okay, don't speak too much. Later, your question will become this much. Not required. Let's not waste our time and others' time. Make it simple. Make it simple. Please concise your questions if you have already with you. Otherwise,
Yes.
when you are going to ask on the fly, you can make question very simple so that that works better. Now go ahead with your question, Shashi.
Yeah. For the part two, when you mention the timing, right? Morning, 9 to 7, right? So I just wanted to understand how can we, as a working professional, can need to be on that time zone to work effectively and to utilize that session. So that is
See,
another question. Yeah.
8 to 9:30, it is going to be only for 10 days. Okay, 10
Yeah.
days.
Yeah.
And later we will prepone to 7. If
Yeah.
7 doesn't work for most of the people, we can make it 6 to 8 also. It's in our hand,
No,
right? So
no,
which
I
works
asked
for,
about part two. I asked about part two. I mean, if you see, on the top, on the second side, the duration for 6 months. Yeah.
yeah, 6 months.
Yeah. In this, the timing is like a 9 a.m. to 7 p.m., right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So here I was having some thing like, in terms of if you're working professionals, how can we utilize the best of this?
Okay, this you can talk to our team. There is some other workaround for this.
Okay. Okay.
That you can
Uh,
talk to the team. Now the program, I mean the session which we are running primarily for this, just thought of introducing that program. That is the reason I spoke about it. If we are going to talk about this program now, it may not be useful for many people. Most of the people who join in this demo, their target is this. Yeah. So yes, we have workaround for working people that you can discuss with our team. They will help.
all right. Thanks. Thanks. Yeah.
Yeah, thanks for your question. Now, we'll proceed with Vamsi.
Yeah, hi Lakshman.
Yep.
Like by this course, are we able to configure newly implemented systems? Like we'll get that kind of knowledge. Huh?
Yes, you will. You will. So you will be able to crack the interview, but not every interview. Okay.
Oh,
And you will be able to perform the work, but not, I don't say you will be enjoying and you will be doing the work,
okay, okay.
but possible because see, this program, what we have been running for last, I started fusion training in 2016. Okay.
Okay.
2016. Okay. It's around 9 years fusion. So what we have been teaching the same program, there is no change in that. From this duration, if you look at this duration, many people got the job, they are working after completing this online training. The same you are attending. So if you are targeting everything should be very beautiful and powerful, you may get into this. You will become ultimate. That's it. You'll be equal to me in terms of Oracle Fusion financials, skill set, knowledge, experience. Yep.
Okay. Got it.
I can say you will become better than me, but you don't believe. That is the reason I'm not saying reality will become that. That's how we designed this program. It's a killer program.
And
That's it.
I have a couple of questions.
Please.
Are you going to show processes like O2C, P2P,
Yes, 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 yes.
and like
You
in what
understand.
state, what all the things are impacting, all these things you are going to cover in this
Yes,
session?
yes, you will learn. P2P, we will run in the class also. O2C, you will understand because order management, we never put our hands in that. That is the reason we don't touch order management. P2P, definitely you have to understand because there is a lot of connection. O2C side, what happened? Just the invoice will come into AR as like thrown from OM. That is the
Okay.
reason you don't need to work on OM, but we'll be working on basic inventory, basic purchasing application also as a part of P2P. You will understand. When we are working, what is the scope of your work? Accordingly, you will be learning in this program.
Okay.
Yep.
And what all things you are explaining, is that enough, or else we need to explore things to the to gain more knowledge?
See, whatever you are learning in this, okay, as per market, I am taking the classes.
Okay.
Instead of taking training from X or Y institute, if you take from ERPTREE, you will get more benefit. That is the style. Okay. If you want to learn everything, you have to be part of this program.
Program.
That's
Okay. And we'll get a video access, right? Is that downloadable access?
yes, downloadable videos you get.
An instance will be you will be providing.
Yeah,
So is it private or public?
public.
So we need to take the backup of our configuration every day.
Not required. We'll have some mechanism. Once you get into the classes, you'll understand. You'll prepare the data in the spreadsheet. You'll create the files. You load. Even instance will go down. The files you can keep with you. You can upload, load the files. Your setup should be ready up to certain level. We'll
And like,
understand all those. We'll
okay.
understand. So yes, instance access you will get. So those are the public instances. You will get access to latest environments, latest instances, and you will have a certain kind of mechanism where you can save your time. Even instance will go down. Still, you are quite busy. I'll tell you the other option. Once you practice one time, next time if instance will go down, instead of creating everything from scratch, there will be some setups which Oracle also providing as a sample data. If you want to use those, you can use those also. If you have a time, you only create and multiple times whenever instance will go down, use it. If you don't have much time, you have an alternative option where you can use the sample data what Oracle is providing. But in our classes, we'll go from scratch. I would recommend you to do everything from scratch. But if you know, if you have to do, if you need to do multiple time from the scratch, sometimes you can ignore and you can use the sample data what Oracle is offering. You have different options. No need to worry about it.
And like, are you going to explain like Oracle OMDC concepts also in this? Like, you included this concept newly?
OMDC, what do you want to learn?
Like I saw like Oracle videos, like it was like automated. Like when we put the invoice in the email, it will be automatically creating the purchase order. All those things will be happening, right?
Invoice
So,
based purchase orders will not be created, right?
oh, like I'm not sure on like financial, like not much
You
aware of financial system.
Yeah.
Like I
You will
know
be
I'm from the
learning
tech.
what is the scope of Oracle Fusion Finance Consultant. You will be learning automation of IDR, like invoice automatically will be created based on the scanned images, etc. Many automations we have, which are in the scope, you will learn that. Yeah.
Okay, got it.
Yeah.
And one last final question from my side.
Please.
Like if we attend any interviews, if I'm not able to answer one scenario based question, so in the next day Q&A session, like if I ask you, are you going to explain the question?
When you are talking about interview, ideally just you will complete this program, then you will plan for interviews, right? But I'll tell you, like during this learning itself, I'll just take one session how you have to prepare for interview, what should be your mindset, point of view to prepare for interview, how to deal with the interview, and what are the areas you have to focus. This I will explain.
Okay, understood. Like in the interview, like I faced the interview, he asked one scenario based question. So if I'm not able to answer that one, I don't know like how to answer that thing. So how I can override that kind of things, like I'm asking.
You have to Google it, because that would be your scope, right? Once you complete the
Okay.
program, and if you are getting something, some question, just Google it. So that's how you
Uh,
can gather
or
that
else like
information.
in the Q&A, is it possible to
Yeah,
cover this?
during the program, you can just ask me specific questions, no issues.
Okay, during the program. Okay, thank
Yeah,
you.
yeah.
Thank
See, we'll run this
you.
program for 2 months, right? Within this 2 months
Yeah, yeah.
program, yeah, you can ask me, but you should not bring the things which are related to your work.
Okay, got it. Got it.
Yeah, we are just
That's it from my.
we are limiting that. That's it.
That's it from my end. Thank you.
Sir, is
Yeah,
program
great.
2 is online or offline? Good afternoon.
Sorry,
Sir, is program 2 offline or online?
Hello.
please make sure no background noise. Let me just mute everybody. Now you can unmute and ask question, please.
Hey Lakshman, can you
Sir,
hear me?
is program 2 is
Yeah, program
online
two
or
is
offline?
yeah.
How is program 2 is going on online or offline
See,
for attending?
the program 2, we have two options again within this. In the option 1, 100% means completely you have to be on the floor here in our
Okay.
office. The second
Okay.
one is 50% you can do from your location. Remaining 50, at least 50% you have to do from the here. You have to be in person.
Okay.
Yeah, that's how it is.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks.
Hello.
Yeah,
Sir.
please.
యాక్చువల్లీ నాకు ఇంగ్లీష్ అనేది అంత ఫ్లూయెంట్ రాదు.
One second. No Telugu is allowed to speak also here. Yeah.
ఓకే, ఐ am not speak to English properly.
Join spoken English after learning. Do any program, not only Oracle. Without English, if somebody will is entertaining you to do some programs, so it's like it's fooling ourselves only. So my suggestion is
Actually,
don't do any course. Don't do any course. Do the best course, that is spoken English course.
okay.
That's it.
Hello.
After that,
Can I?
Please, yeah, that's it. That is the answer. If required, just we can discuss later. Yeah, please go ahead.
Hey Lakshman, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
So this, can you scroll up a little bit your screen?
Oh, okay. 1 second, please. Yeah.
So this is Oracle Fusion General Ledger, but the Oracle SaaS application is called Oracle Cloud ERP. What's the difference?
You will understand. Maybe it takes 2 days time to understand that. See, very simple. See, if you have some stuff, if you keep where you are keeping. So I can keep my laptop in my study room or living room. Okay, if I just keep my laptop in the study room, I call it as laptop is in study room. If I keep in the living room, my laptop is in the living room. In the same way, where you are keeping this application, accordingly you can add the terms. You are maintaining these applications in your own server that you call as on-premise, and if you keep these applications in the virtual servers that you call as cloud, again in that virtual servers you are setting some restrictions not to modify anything within these applications that you call
Right.
as SaaS. Just give me 2 days time, you will understand that. Now it would be so early, it will be like discussion between you and me. I will explain everything, we'll understand, we'll discuss detail level. You will come to know what is a SaaS, what is a PaaS, what is IaaS, what are the detail level differences between these three. You will understand.
No, my question was not on that. My question was that this course, do you cover SaaS application or on-prem application?
SaaS, cloud SaaS.
Okay.
Yep.
No, because you're saying Fusion Ledger, right? But Oracle calls it Oracle ERP Cloud. No, is the same thing?
No. See, Oracle Cloud ERP, right? This is what you are
Mhm.
within Oracle Cloud ERP. You have these financial applications. This is the finance application family. In family, these are the members. Okay. Got it? Oracle Cloud ERP. In the Cloud ERP, what family we have? Financials family. In that family, these are the members.
But is it called Fusion or is it Oracle?
Yeah, you
General?
can name it as a Fusion, like Oracle Fusion Cloud. Different naming conventions we can use. This all you will learn once you attend. Yeah. You can call as Oracle Fusion ERP, Oracle Cloud ERP, or Oracle Fusion Cloud ERP. Why? How? Because in the next session, I'm going to talk about what is Oracle, what is a Fusion, what is a cloud, what is a finance, what these applications are. And by following session, I will explain about SaaS, PaaS, IaaS, the different naming conventions, how they derived and all, you will understand. Maybe within 2 to 3 sessions, you'll get full clarity. Now, since you don't know that, you will be asking hell number of questions. That's it.
And session and the access to the instance that will be SaaS instance.
Yes, you will get access to SaaS only.
Okay.
Yeah, you will get SaaS, the cloud SaaS environment access you will get.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Hi, Lakshman.
Yeah, please.
This is Shamir.
Yeah, please.
Lakshman, my question is very much personal. Actually, to check suitability of my case to enter into this new job or career, concerned to my age of 43, and I have a gap of 10 years. And in last 10 years, I have had done a master's course of finance and internet data science course. Apart from that, I had done nothing like professional. I was working as a cook and a driver, and actually I had done some business trading myself. Apart from that, I haven't done anything related in professional ways. And prior to then, I have worked in a US company in Dubai. Then prior to then, I have completed my MBA in IT and marketing. Then prior to then, I have completed my BPA.
Okay.
So since my age is this, like I said,
let me, I got your story. Let me just turn off the recording and answer. Please.
Is this course artificial intelligence proof course job? I mean, the job after the course we're going to get will be a AI proof job?
No. It's not related to AI. AI is totally different. It's a pure functional, no programming, no coding, no automation, nothing.
Yeah, but we are hearing that in future there are so many jobs would be replaced
I got
by
your
AI.
point. This is a question from many people also. See, when you talk about AI, artificial intelligence, this you can use mostly for automation. But there is nothing you can automate within the financials as a whole. Here and there, small things can be automated. But see, if you talk about this Oracle Fusion financials, you will become a consultant. Say, when you learn, when you get a job, you'll become consultant. Consultant, what they will do? They'll talk to the client. Talk to client. Means interaction with the client. By talking, what we do, we'll understand business, what business they are doing, and their pain points. Okay, pain points in the business, and we have to document it. Okay, and hell number of meetings. The client, this we will do. And we'll give many presentations. It's a completely interactive. It is not like automation. So understanding AI cannot sit with your client, right?
Yeah, true.
AI cannot, you see, client can give the pain points to AI, but AI doesn't have the Oracle Fusion financials applications to suggest something.
Okay.
AI cannot create the documents based on the understanding, discussions, and the scope, in scope, out scope, etc. But you can use AI when you prepare the documents. When you are preparing the documents, you can use AI as assistant.
Okay, I got it.
You have to sit and discuss, right? Now you are attending class. Do you think I am mandatory in the session or AI can handle this?
No, I think
I should be here.
I
You
should.
should
Yeah,
be
you
there.
should there. Yes,
In the
yes.
same way, AI doesn't work in case of this finance application. See, if you talk about SQL, some technical things, SQL or take Java, PHP, .NET, programming related, etc. So those all we can teach to AI, and you can ask one question AI, hey, just create one report which will show all the suppliers XYZ. It knows SQL, it will execute, it will write the program, and it will create the report. That's how you can use AI. AI is suits for the technical deals.
Yeah, and even the accounting jobs can be replaced by
Exactly,
AI.
exactly. Certain things, certain always fix, same process, same always fix, because this is not always same. It is all like interactions based,
Yeah, human interaction based.
etc.,
Yeah.
etc. Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you, Lakshman. Thank you.
Yeah. See, this is not your question. This is many guys' question.
Okay.
So thanks for asking this.
Great. Thank you.
Yeah.
Hi, Lakshman.
Yeah, please.
Hi.
Yeah,
I have
go
a
ahead.
couple of questions. The
Yeah.
first one is, so do we need any sort of EBS experience or Oracle background to start with this?
Not
this
required. Not
particular-
required. No background, no prerequisites required. You are going to learn from the scratch. I'm not going to have any assumptions. You know something. From there, I'm going to share with you. No, you are going to learn from the scratch, including what does it mean by Oracle, what does it mean by Fusion, what does it mean by financials, what does it mean by application, right? Everything you are going to learn. So anyway, these days EBS not required, because when you learn, right, you may not claim too many years of experience, right? If somebody is claiming more than 9 years of experience on Oracle application, those people may require EBS, because from 2016 onwards, the Fusion is up and running, right? You have a good scope to claim. So that is the reason EBS is not required. EBS is not required. So we don't work on EBS also in this program. That is not required.
Another question is, so after this course, I mean, after 2 months, right, will you be able to get that certification courses from Oracle for all these modules?
If you ask me about certification, I don't recommend, because when you talk about certification, it will cost you 25 to 30,000, say around 25,000. Okay, with the certification, you are not going to achieve anything. Once you get into the company will offer you certification for free. You take that advantage. Now, even if you have a certification, if you claim in your CV by looking at your certification, nobody is going to respect you. The reason, outside in the market, you can do certification one day. There are many services in the market. So you will contact today, by end of today or tomorrow, you will get certified. That's the original certification only from Oracle. Since such kind of options, facilities are available in the market, so there is no great respect for certification. But when you are working in the company, some clients will ask your company saying that, hey, just deploy certified consultants in my project for me. So that is the point where certification will have some value. But when you are learning, when you are trying to get the job, I don't see certification will become great value addition. After getting the job, your company will take care of your certification for free. Before getting into the job, don't spend the 25,000, which are not going to have any value addition. If you are doing this program and you want to claim as a fresher, yes, there you may think through, but still I don't recommend. It will have some value addition, but not that much. That you may think through. Since you are trying as a fresher, you may just think like it will have some value addition. Yes, in that way you may think. But if you are claiming some years of experience like anyone else in the market, I don't recommend to go for certification. And again, if you want to get certified, it is not easy. The people who are working 5 years, 10 years also, they cannot crack simply. Oracle changed the certification pattern. In past, if you take 2 years ago, it was multiple choice. These days, they'll ask us to write some story, this, that, etc., different calculations. So that is the reason it became a bit difficult also for working people also failing. They say there is one guy who got 10 years of experience on Oracle Fusion Financials. There is no guarantee the guy will crack the certification in the first attempt, second attempt, maybe third attempt they may succeed, fourth attempt they may succeed, luckily maybe first attempt. That's how it became complex. At this stage, I don't recommend, not required. Just follow the classes. I'll be telling how to prepare it also. I'll be telling very, very clearly. It is not like I'll speak something, I'll close the session. No, no, no. You should get benefit out of it. I should understand what purpose you are attending these classes. So that I'll keep in my mind and heart. And I'll be guiding in all the ways how to prepare, what to prepare, just how much time you have to invest, what should be your point of view when you are preparing. Those things I'll be explaining. Follow the process. Whatever I would say, blindly follow for this program, right? Rest is rest. That is yours. So when you are learning, just follow whatever I say. You will become very, very strong. You can crack into it. Yeah. Ignore certification. Don't worry about certification. It won't bring any benefit for us as of now.
Hey Lakshman,
Please.
I am currently right now in the US job market, so looking for like financial module jobs. So when I go through like the client's job description, I see this word like clients are now moving from the legacy systems to like Cloud Fusion or on-premise EBS to Cloud Fusion. So we call that as a data migration, right? So
No,
as a
no, no, no.
part
One
of the
second, one
core.
second, one second, one second.
Mhm.
They are moving. When they are moving,
Yeah.
they move the data also, right?
Hmm.
The
Yeah.
portion of moving the data we call as a data migration, data conversion. But entire
Okay.
activity, what we do as implementation.
Yeah.
In the entire
So
implementation, data migration or data conversion is one of the tasks, important task.
Mhm.
That's it.
Okay. Okay. So like in this course, is it also like part that you show like how the legacy systems to be converted to the Cloud
Yeah, you
Fusion?
will learn how to do the data migration, how to move the
Okay.
data, suppliers data, customers data, invoices data, transactions data, assets data. You will learn.
Okay.
You will learn.
Oh, sure. Thank you.
Yeah.
And Lakshman, do you have like consultancy in United States also?
Consultancy?
In US also you have any consultancy?
No, no, no.
No. Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks.
Hi Lakshman.
Hi, please.
I have few questions. So in this course, we'll be covering the accounting flow from submodules to GL, like in
Yes,
P2P.
yes.
Yeah.
Creating accounting entries, how it will flow, from where system will derive, where we provide. See, where we provide accounts, when you create transaction, from where it will derive, right? You may provide in the two places from where it is taking. What is the accounting entry system is generating, how that information can be interfaced to GL for reporting purpose, how to prepare the reports also. See, very simple.
Okay.
Understanding the theoretically, right?
Yeah.
Then doing the setups in the system
Mm.
and performing the transactions,
Okay.
understanding the accounting,
Mm.
creating the journals, transferring to GL, generating the reports, is all end-to-end cycle. You will understand.
Okay. So like I am working in EBS. So like there are few scenarios in covered in EBS. I want to perform the same in cloud in this training. So if I get stuck anywhere about the setups and all, can I ask you and you can help me?
Yeah, you can ask me, because within that, if when you look into the course curriculum, first of all, you will understand those all would be part of that only. Okay.
Okay.
Tomorrow we'll be
Okay.
releasing the course curriculum. You can look into that. So because when you are working
Mm.
EBS, it's a limited, and there
Mm.
is
Mm.
customizations. But here, compared to EBS, there is a better scope to do many things, right?
Yeah.
So
Okay.
just look into the course curriculum and all. There itself, you will understand whether what you are expecting those are there or not. If one are something, one or two are missing, no issues. We'll discuss.
Okay, thank you. And like as you said, you are explaining the SaaS application here. So it would be same for PAS and IAS if in a
Yes,
functional
yes,
view.
yes, yes. This point you will
Okay.
understand maybe after one or two sessions. To answer to give a quick answer, our application is not going to change based on where we are going to keep what environment is going to be. Finance will remain as a finance in the past also.
Okay.
Yeah. How it will
Okay.
behave in the SaaS in the same way it will behave in the past. So only the difference is there you can build some additional extensions.
Yes.
You can enhance the product functionality or usage. That we will discuss. That we'll discuss after. I mean, maybe I think tomorrow we'll be getting into this. Day after third session, we'll be working on that part only.
Okay. So do we cover any kind of reports like finance is mostly of out
Yeah, we
reports
will run the
generated?
reports. We'll see the reports also. Yes.
Oh, so BIP report is included here.
Yeah, we don't develop the BA reports. It's a job of technical people. Oracle is delivering all the BIP, OTBA reports. We'll go through it. But to give you some flavor, how technical people build the BIP report, I'll write SQL query. I'll take you to that environment so that you can feel that. That's it. So what we do, that I'm going to cover. What we don't do, we don't need to touch. That we are not doing.
Okay, okay. So I have one basic question like in real time scenarios, do we have any kind of clients which only uses finance other than SCM or like that?
Yes,
Do we
very
face
few
those?
cases. The
Okay.
finance industries, finance sector, right? Banks and all, they use only finance.
Okay.
So they will have their own systems like Pinnacle, etc., which are designed for banking. Those they will connect with the finance. They will use our Oracle Fusion Finance only for the purpose of report generation and basic transaction entry. In the bank, if you look at the bank, the most of the transaction related to the banking transactions, right?
Mm-hmm.
Those all will be handled the banking systems. Apart from that, even it is a bank, they do some procurements, right?
Yeah.
So that they will use, and sometimes they go with the Oracle Fusion procurement also. Okay. So many banks, what they will do, they use primarily finance. Some banks will use along with the finance procurement also. Few banks only finance, the procurement, etc. They will maintain some other applications also.
Okay. So like suppose in the market today, like there will be in the solution architect position, they'll be sitting only the master's degree with the finance. So
That
do
you
we
no need to
need to
worry about.
do?
I have seen many solution Oracle Fusion finance solution architects are BTech.
Okay. Okay.
See, they don't take in other way. I'll tell you the fact. They don't bother about your academics. They don't bother about your years of experience. They don't bother about XYZ. They bother about your skill set. You have everything but no skill set. What is the use? They'll keep us out, right? Your skill set should be proper. Okay, make sure your skill set is good. All others are formalities, right? All other stuff is formality. That is the reality.
Okay. So the last question.
Yep.
So I'm seeing like there are many people, like if we have many questions. So like all will be covered in the Q&A sessions. Like it is because many people are there,
All
everybody question.
questions, all you will see what I'll be doing. I'll be requesting for more questions, not only covering.
Okay.
Okay, that is food for me in the sessions.
Okay. The
Okay.
thing is there are many people, so I
No,
just
no,
want to
don't
get
worry, don't
confirmed.
worry.
Okay.
All questions will be covered. First, other point is your questions for sure will be covered. That's what everyone can think.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. That's all from my
Yeah,
end.
yeah. No need to worry about how many people are in the meeting. Okay. And another point you have to understand, because today is the first session, many questions. Tomorrow, second session, questions will be reduced. Later, again reduced. When you start working on some
Yeah.
new concept, questions will be triggered based on how I'm explaining. If I become poor enough to explain that concept, many questions, right? If I'm explaining more retail level, number of questions will be reduced. Always my target is less questions should come. That means my target is I should explain in a better way.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
that is a
Okay.
formula.
Hi, Lakshman.
Yeah,
Sir,
please.
one question here.
Yeah,
Sir,
yeah, please go
sir,
ahead.
one question here, sir.
Yeah.
The program 1 and program 2 you mentioned, any list of topics what you are covering in the program 2 or program 1, something like?
That talk to the team, they will tell you.
Okay, okay.
See, here my point is, it's this session is we planned only for program 1, but just thought
Oh, okay.
of giving some
Okay.
kind of flavor about we have program 2 also, for
Okay.
whom like there is a flexibility, and that is reason. So if I'm talking about program 2, there are most of the people for program 1, right? It doesn't make sense for them. That is reason. So that you talk to the team, they will explain you more detail level.
Sir, this program 2 is only offline, right? Not online.
Yes, we have completely offline and 50% offline, 50% online also. Both options we
Okay.
have.
Okay, for the program 2. Okay.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Thanks. Yeah. Please.
Lakshman,
Yeah.
sorry, I've just one question. So just comparing EBS and the Fusion are together, right? I mean, in EBS we have kind of implementation and then followed by the support process. So does the same thing applies here in the Fusion too? Like I have seen
Same
most of the
applicable. Same
Mm.
applicable. Right. Same
Okay.
applicable. Just see, very simple. The
Mm.
environment where they are going to deploy is going to be different, right? If you look
Mhm.
at EBS, mostly they deploy that applications within their own server, which we call as on-premise. Of course, these days, even EBS also you can deploy in the cloud. So same story, same story. So compared to EBS in the Fusion, the time can be reduced and our job will become easy. That's it.
Okay. Okay.
That's it. Yeah.
Thanks.
Yeah. So next question, Chaitanya, please.
Hey,
Yeah.
hey, I'll ask the same, reiterating the same question.
Yeah.
If client is moving from Oracle EBS R12 to Oracle Fusion R13, does this course helps to implement Oracle Fusion R13
Yes.
as
Yes.
Oracle EBS R12 business logics?
Yes. 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 Because see, when client is moving from EBS to Fusion, okay, our job is
Mhm.
very easy because based on EBS, they built Fusion. Built means it's not like building also. They copied EBS, they given some add-ons.
Mhm.
EBS finance they copied and they did some enhancements and they modified here and there. And if you look at, if you know EBS and if you are working on Fusion financials, I can say 90% EBS and 10% is something new. That's it. Your job will become very easy because if client is moving from, say, for example, Microsoft Dynamics
Mhm.
to Fusion, right?
Okay.
So in Microsoft Dynamics, the terminology, the way how it works, it's completely new for us, right?
Mhm.
Oracle copied EBS and they built, they made Fusion financials.
Mhm.
So what you see in the financials, 90% is there in the EBS. Understanding the things will become easy for you. If it is a Microsoft Dynamics or PeopleSoft, JD Edwards or XYZ or SAP, many clients are moving from SAP to Fusion now. So
Mhm.
those applications will become pretty new for you, but you no need to do anything. Just you will sit with the client and you will try to understand what you are doing, how you are doing in those applications, and so that our job will become easy. For that reason, you'll have. But if it is easy, it's just known cake, right? So
Okay.
it will become easy. And again, what are the solutions you have in EBS? The same you can copy to Fusion. There is no much difference in terms of overall picture. So 90% as it is you can copy, remaining here and there, wherever is applicable, you will align, then that is a solution. Our job will become easy. That's it.
Okay. Do you cover like certain examples like R12 functional setups? How do we do in R13 Fusion?
If you want to understand that, we can just share few videos, you can go through it because as a part of session, I don't take, but to get the
Mhm.
flavor, right?
Yeah. Mhm.
You get the flavor because tomorrow when you know Fusion, this much time you invested, you start working on Fusion project and the client is moving from EBS to Fusion, uh, that whatever you know in the Fusion, it should match to Fusion EBS, right? You should be able
Mhm.
to connect, right? For that reason,
Correct.
yes, we will share few videos you can just go through, so that will fill the gap of understanding what terminology we use in EBS, what terminology we use in the Fusion, etc. That way
Okay.
we can do that, no issues.
Okay. As a functional consultant, do you cover key integrations and configurations that are required to
Yeah,
implement in R12?
all the configurations we cover, right? All the configurations, what needs to be done across all the applications, in between the applications, within the applications, based on the specific functionality and all. Yeah. So
And
the scope we are
technical
going to
as
cover.
yeah, as a functional consultant, where we can focus on technical perspective to check with the developers what are the things we have to done, where we have to talk
Yeah,
with
I'll
the
talk about
developers
it.
that part.
I'll touch base
Yeah.
that integration part also to make you to understand, so that if there is some task related integration, you won't be blank. Yeah, I'll
Got
touch
it.
base.
Thank you.
Yeah,
I'm good. Thank you.
Hi, Lakshman.
yeah, great. Thanks. Yeah, please.
Yeah, so my question is that like the module that you mentioned, so like we'll be learning it from scratch to the advanced level, right?
Scratch, yes, from scratch to advanced, yes, you'll learn it.
Okay, and like there are other modules in financials also, like revenue management and financial accounting hub. So will you touch base on that also, or is it like integrated in these
You
same?
don't need those, because when you talk about FH, finance
Yeah.
Fusion Accounting Hub, or as per EBS, you say finance accounting hub. Okay. So it is connected with the finance, but it is not part of finance, separate offering from Oracle also. Okay.
Okay.
And again, if you work for 100 projects, okay, if you work for 100 projects, you may come across with FH in 1 or 2 projects. Okay. Out of 100, 1 or 2 clients may use it. So you don't need to worry about it.
Okay. And what about the revenue management?
Revenue management also, it's rarely used.
Okay.
Where, see, in Oracle Fusion Accounts Receivables, you have a revenue functionality. If
Right.
some client has a very sophisticated revenue management calculation, etc., they use as an additional extension of that application. So that is also a rare scope you come across in the projects. Yeah, focus on these primarily. Learn these, start working as add-ons. You can plan to learn those later.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Thanks.
Hi, Lakshman.
Hi, Lakshman.
Yeah.
How much?
I'm sorry, I mentioned raise your hand. I'll take your name, but things are going random. Everyone can follow the same. Yeah, I think Yesh, please.
Yashwant. Yes. Yashwant.
Yes, please go ahead.
How much the price this whole course in program 1 and program 2, or whole wise price? How much?
You can talk to the team. They can help you on that.
Okay.
Yeah. Thanks. Next question, please. Anyone can unmute and raise their question. Yeah.
Hi, Lakshman.
Yes. Please go ahead.
As you said, now in this program, like it's be scratch to end. I mean, to implementation to the support till all this
Yes,
be covered, right?
implementation, support, rollout, upgrade, etc., etc. Any
Okay.
variety of project you can will be able to deal.
Okay, and also like one more thing, if at all we have any doubts when the session is all the 2 months is end up, if we are getting any doubt and which is we are not able to resolve some things, okay, when we are practicing as such thing, can we connect with you and ask the questions and any option is there in that?
For this, good question. I forgot to talk about it.
Yeah.
I'll just allocate one dedicated person.
Okay.
Okay, who has 10 years of experience on these applications.
Okay.
Okay, working guy. So 10 years experienced person, I'll just map to you. When in the class, you can ask. Okay, in the class, sorry, written experience. Okay, I'll just provide one dedicated contact number. Okay, once you start working on the application, maybe after after 2 to 3 classes onwards, you'll start working on the application, right?
Okay.
So whenever you are attending the classes, you can ask the question. Otherwise, so maybe late night you may sit and start practicing, right? Sometimes early morning you may start practicing, or else daytime, because based on your current working hours, etc. Or else weekend you may get time and you will start practicing. That time you may not get access to me to ask the questions. You will get access in the class itself, right? For that reason, I am going to allocate one dedicated person who can answer your calls at any point of time, and they will resolve whatever the technical issues within the application, what you are experiencing, or clarity what you need. You will have a dedicated support. And apart from that, in the class, you can ask me any question.
Yeah, Lakshman, but I was asked like after like when we end up with this all 2 months program, after that we feel having practice. Okay.
No worries. We'll extend that support up to 4 months.
Okay, that's what I wanted.
See, I do programs like this is our program.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. It should not be like it's my program. It is not your program. Nonsense.
Exactly.
Right.
Exactly.
So we'll make it 4 months. Yes. Instance also you are going to get for 4 months. right?
Yes.
The support
Yes.
also you'll have a 4 months, because when you are attending, you'll be investing time mostly for attending only. Once you complete that time, you may use for practice, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, we'll make it 4 months. 4 months you'll get dedicated support. I'll allocate experienced person apart from just my availability in the classes.
Sure. Sure.
Yeah.
That's it will be
Anytime
much
you can
helpful.
in WhatsApp also you can reach out, or direct call is possible. That way you will get support immediately.
Okay. Thank you so much for that. Yeah.
Yeah. Thanks
Hello,
for
can you
asking this
hear
question.
me?
Seriously, I forgot about it. I thought of discussing, but I forgot. Thanks for your question.
Hi,
Lakshman,
Lakshman. Can you
this
hear
is
me
with regard.
actually?
Yeah, sorry. Gautam, you can go ahead.
Yeah, sorry. So, Lakshman, I had a question. You mentioned the first 10 days you would be doing hour and a half class, and then after 10 days you want to make it 2 hours of instruction, and then you will follow up with the question answers, or
Yes. See,
you know that 2 hours is a
no.
little bit. I mean, 1.5 hours is good, but 2 hours just becomes a little harder.
No. The point is,
Mm.
see, here on the floor, I'm not saying in other way. On the floor, people
Mm.
are sitting 12 hours now.
Correct.
100% job guarantee program. 12 hours they are sitting. 7 days they are
True.
sitting. It's
Right.
all about career. Of course, again, you are working and all, I do respect. And again, another point is 2 hours, you are not going to get the feed of learning from me. 30 minutes, definitely for sure. Questions, right? You will be asking questions in between, right? In between questions also would be there. Those also part of 2 hours. After 2 hours, again, the big questionnaires could be there from your side. Yeah.
Okay.
That's how it is.
Thank you.
It's not like 2 hours you won't learn. Maybe 1.5 hours I'll be talking what you should learn. Within that duration of 2 hours, in between you will ask many questions, right? Some key questions which may stop you from further understanding. That kind of questions you can ask then and there. If it is not stopping you from your understanding, those you can ask in the end of the session. That is after 2 hours.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, that's how we have arrangement. So otherwise we cannot complete in 2 months.
Okay.
And again, say if it is they are dragging 3-4 months, means many people will drop, even they pay the fee. That is our experience. We want to respect everybody. Yeah, we can make it 3 months. Okay, I'm not planning any next batch after this. We are planning to run this batch every 1 year once. This again, next batch would be in the next year. Okay.
Oh.
Only one batch we plan to run. I don't have an issue. It may become 3 months, 4 months also. I don't have issue, because I'm not planning next batch after this. So I'm okay. But our past experience is the more time means people are losing their experience. Interest and all, they're dropping. So even if you look at this, by the time end of the program, few people will drop. That is also possible, but we want to make it to be available for many people with a good participation. That is the reason we are making it short, and we are trying to increase a little bit time. It's not too much, also 2 hours, right? That is the reason we are preponing to 7 o'clock. Yeah, you will be enjoying the classes. You will not have any burden when you attend the classes. The burden I will take. Okay, I'll make it very, very easy. I'll make it very, very easy. I'll make your learning very, very easy. That is my target. If I don't make your learning is easy, my teaching will become difficult, because you will be asking a number of questions that will take double time, right? So that I'll take care.
Right.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah. These timings are kind of request in between you and me. That's it. Yeah. So that meaningful way we can complete within these 2 months. That's it.
Hello, sir.
Yeah,
This is
please.
Banu. I
Banu,
have two questions.
please.
What is the difference between the technical and functional part?
Okay.
Could you
Very
please tell
simple.
me?
So you are using Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, right?
Yeah.
Have you developed any page, function, feature? No, right?
No,
You didn't create
yeah.
anything. You are using.
Yeah, only using it.
Usage we call as functional.
Okay.
Creating something new we call as a technical.
Okay.
That's it. We never created anything, right? In the WhatsApp, there are some new features came recently, right?
Yeah.
Those all are developed by WhatsApp team, the development team. We
Yeah.
all are functional users. We are using, that's it.
Okay, because I have this doubt because actually in HCM technical, like when I have seen online videos,
Oh, okay, got you, got
it
you. When you
is
talk about
telling about
HCM, no, I
yeah
let me tell you,
inbound
you raised a good point. When you talk about
inbound
HCM,
integration.
right? HCM, if you want to become HCM consultant, it's a mix of functional and technical.
Okay.
Because reason in the HCM we have a payroll, right? Payrolls you
Yeah.
have to work on some technical stuff also.
Okay.
But finance is pure functional works. Technical HCM pure functional doesn't work. You need a technical good flavor. That's how it is.
Okay. My second question is like, do you guys teach HCM technical or only the financial stuff?
No, only our specialization is finance, and we do that one. In the past, we used to run the batches. Okay, but these days we are not doing only one, that is finance, because we need
Oh.
finance only, right? In life.
Actually, I'm interested in HCM technical.
Okay.
Okay,
Got it.
I'll think about it.
Yeah.
Thank you for your information.
Just Google what search in the YouTube and wisely pick the institute. There are many institutes in the market, but many institutes are I should not say wrong, but doesn't suit. Okay.
Okay.
Choose wisely. If you find 10 institutes, there would be one or two for you. But don't get into remaining 8 institutes. You will lose money,
Okay.
lose on nothing. So everything will go wrong. Even they don't know what
Okay.
they are teaching.
Okay. Thank you, but I will think about it and maybe like I want to
Yeah,
decide
if you want
something
to go with
within like
HCM,
10
you can
days.
go with HCM, but finance will keep you always in the demand.
Okay.
Yeah, there is a good
Because
market
in
for
10 days,
finance all the time.
because in like 10 days or 2 weeks, I will decide like with
Yeah.
what I need to
Think
go.
through. Anything will work. Anything will work.
Yeah. Okay. Thanks a lot.
Yeah. Thank you.
Lakshman, how do these two courses are related? Is the course number 2 is the continuation part of the course number 1?
Yes. Generally,
So yeah.
like in this program, I should not, because this is not a plan, but just you are asking multiple questions. I would say here we call as basics. Here we have a 4 phases. Okay, 4 phases. Let me write 4 phases. In the 4 phases, in this program, 4 phases we have. In those 4 phases, the first phase is this program one. That's it.
Okay.
There are
So
remaining 3 phases. In the 4 phases, first phase we call as basic, which is everything as per market. Next, we'll have a very advanced. Very advanced means you go and meet a 15 years experienced person. You know better than that 15 years experienced person. That much advanced means we are not going to leave anything from any corner. Then third phase, complete documentation. Fourth phase, interview preparation. Many hell number of things. Nothing you are going to lose. You will be powerful than working people, because working people will not get scope of working on everything.
Okay.
But here you'll become powerful, because in this program 2, 4 phases we have. 4 phases we have. First phase is this program. But as per market, if you compare, it's far better to compare any other you can call as institute or etc. That's what people say, Sam. It's not my comment.
Okay.
If
So
you are
is this
planning, no, one second, sorry.
Yeah. Sorry.
If you are planning to become ultimate, choose program 2. If you want to learn Oracle Fusion Financials, instead of learning from other institutes, learn from ERPTREE. Anyway, you want to learn, you cannot join in the program 2. You want to learn still financials. What is happening in the market? Accordingly, better choose ERPTREE. You will get better compared to other institutes. So, but you want to become ultimate. This is nowhere in the Earth or in the Mars or etc. Only here. See, to do this program, I'm not saying in the different way. People need courage to do this, because I am giving everything. I'm giving everything. You will be equivalent to me. You don't believe. The people are coming to me after completing the program, sir. I'm not able to believe any interview I'm able to crack, any answer I'm able to crack. Interviewers are getting doubt. How come you can answer this much?
So if
Once
a
they get the
person,
job, they are not
yeah.
showing the face to me. I am telling to these people who are in the program 2,
Mm-hmm.
6 months program, but when you are coming to this program, always come with 1 month buffer. Okay, come with 1 month buffer. I say 6 months only. Come 1 month buffer, 7 months. After completing this, people are able to crack every interview. Few people are claiming 3 years, for some people 4, 5, 6, 7. One guy claimed 8 years of experience. He got 38 lakhs package. After this, 38 lakhs.
Oh.
The people who have been working for last 4, 5 years on Oracle Fusion Financials, they are struggling to get 20 also. They're not crossing 20s. Because I've been into this from last 2010, I'm teaching. There are few people, you don't believe this, there are few people who got job in 2014, 15, 16, 17, means 7, 8, 9 years experience they have. They came to join in this program. When they ask them, what is your package? They are telling 14 lakhs, 15 lakhs, 16 lakhs. I told them, the people who are in this program, they are getting 30 lakhs, 25 lakhs, 38 lakhs. It's a powerful, it's not like your experience. This program experience is important. We cover everything. We do CRPs also in this. I'll make you to give presentation. 20, 30 people will be sitting in this conference room. All the people. We have a corporate office for this. We have a corporate office. Just allow me one second. I will just run through. Yeah. See, nothing to do with the office, but that just I am talking about the environment. You'll be spending your 6 months time in which environment that I want to highlight. That is the reason I'm talking about. This is a building, our office building. We located in this 4th floor. Here, 4th floor. If you look at our office space, it's a 10,000 SFT space. So this is our office. Yeah, it's my cabin. There is a lot of space, 10,000 SFT. Okay. You can see here quickly, I'm just moving. Okay. This is a conference room. We have 3 conference rooms like this. This to take a nap.
Okay.
Let's ignore this. So that's how it is. Okay. So let's see, they'll become powerful. That's it. See, not only it's Oracle, they learn many things. They learn many things. Even in this program, we will run the American accent classes also in this program too. American accent classes, professional email writing, and soft skills. Many things. The person who will enter into this program too, they'll become ultimate powerful. So there'll be the next level of experienced people also. That's how it is. Yeah. So
Okay. So will program 1 will ensure one person to get into this job market?
yes. This we have been doing from last many years, right? I mentioned the Fusion itself. We are training from 2016.
Okay.
Okay. So many other institutes also there. Compared to that, we are doing better. That's it.
So what job will be different? Like by doing what will be the difference in that difference in doing after program 1 and 2?
Program 1, everything will become easy. Program, program 2, everything will become easy. Nothing is difficult. It's very simple.
Pure consultant, isn't it?
Yeah, see, yeah.
And what about program 1?
See, I'll tell you, in program 1, say you attend 10 interviews. Okay. You may clear 1 or 2 interviews. Program 2, you attend 10 interviews, but you will clear 11 interviews, I can say. Hope you got it.
Got it.
And
The
program
job
1, okay, program 1, you will get some work. You will get some task. Okay, task 1 you got.
In interview?
Not interview, when you are working.
Okay.
You will cry and complete.
So
Here, get one work. Smile and complete. Because here you are investing 1500 hours. Here, 100 hours you may attend for classes. The remaining 100 more hours you may invest.
Okay.
But only as per program 1, you are learning only one phase. This is as per market. I am not keeping less for you because we have this. No, not like that. Okay. This is as per market. All institutes, what they are running, we are also running. But in terms of curriculum and the way how we teach, make you clear, that is a better compared to others.
Okay.
Content point of view, equal. But some institutes, what we are teaching also, they are not teaching in program 1.
Okay.
That's it is market. It is as per market. It is out of the market. Because to do this program, really courage is required. Because with 18 years of experience, if I'm giving anything, I am telling to the people who are in my program 2, after completing the program 2, you can run the institute. Like me. Okay. You can run the institute. Or you can provide job and support for other people.
Okay.
Generally, this program 1 people will take job and support from others. But the people who are in the program 2, they can provide the job and support. And I should not say this also, but I am not encouraging. Just generally, I used to say that many people are going for proxies. Generally, here people will go for proxy. Some people will put all efforts. What I will say in the classes, they follow as it is. They'll be able to crack out of 4 interviews, 1 interview, or out of 10 interviews, 2, 3 interviews, they may crack if they follow as it is, if they invest good amount of time, right? So they can. But otherwise, many people, they always go for proxies, right? Somebody will do interview and they will go for that. I would say here, you can do proxy business.
What is proxy business or
proxy means you will learn 20% and you cannot crack interview. You will come to me. I'll do interview behalf of you.
Okay.
I'll take your call. You will sit in front of laptop. I'll be sitting next to you. You will be acting. I'll be talking.
Okay. You mean mock interview or something?
Yeah, mock is different. Mock, it's a proxy means, that's a different, right? I hope you can understand. I used to tell to these people, even you can do that business, but I don't encourage it. Many people are doing that as a business, right? They're running the institutes. What they do, they'll teach only 10% or 20% to students.
Oh, okay, I got it.
Right?
Yeah.
They'll teach 20%, they'll say that is everything.
Oh, yes.
Yeah? They'll teach 10%. See, they'll show all these applications.
Okay.
All these applications they show, but how much they taught? 10% only.
10. Oh, got
If
it.
outside institutes are teaching 10%, ERP teaching you 25% in this.
Okay. Oh.
But here, 100%.
Okay.
The program name you given as 100% job guarantee, because it's not me, I'm running, it's 100% guarantee, because you are learning 100% everything what comes into the bucket of Oracle Fusion Finance Consultant.
So Lakshman, sorry to interrupt, but just out of curiosity, I mean, for the program 2, seeing the timeline and the hours to be invested on a daily basis, I mean, I just have a curiosity, and I think asked in the previous question also, how to manage this with our current work style. I mean,
That talk to the team, because see, this time is minimum required, because if you want to take the fruits, right? So means you need mango fruits, right? Mango tree, nurturing, taking time. That's required, because we are not going the shortcut, because it's entire career, right?
Absolutely, yeah.
It's a career, family, rest of future, right? And respecting our last 15, 16, 17 years of education. right? Many sentiments are there within that. If one person is becoming powerful, many things which are aligned with that person will become very, very powerful. By respecting all this, so I'm giving 100%. I'm not hiding anything for me. Everything we are giving, people will become ultimate consultants in this program.
But Lakshman, since they dedicate around 12 hours daily and 7 days a week, right? So
Not
what
7 days.
is
We
the
see 40% people, 40 to 50% people are coming 7 days. Here in this program, we call everything only 7 days or at least 6 days. I will tell them only spend 12 hours. If not possible, only spend 10 hours. Even when I'm taking the class also, I'll take for 4 5 hours, full day also. We'll call as we are not spending 12 hours for class. We are spending only 7 8 hours for class. We follow the mantra called as only. See how you set your mind accordingly, it will function. That's how it will support. Once you get into the environment, you will see all the powerful people. Okay, it's not like 1 hour 2 hour powerful people. Okay, you will see who are coming. We open the office by 7 o'clock, we close by 9 o'clock. After opening this office, okay, this office, whatever the office I just run the video, this office we opened 2 years ago. So from last 2 years we never closed one day also. Elections, festivals, people are coming, they are here only. Okay,
but they are sitting for 12 hours. So what activities to make them physically active, like in
I'll tell you. Say you claim 6 years experience in your CV. Okay. To reach that level of experience, don't you think 6 months in a minimum required?
It is more than that.
Number of things. What they will do, they'll go through the classes, right? They'll write the note, they'll read multiple times, they'll give the presentations, they'll have meetings, they will have a conference, they will have a review meetings, we'll have a rapid rounds, we'll have a mock rounds, we'll do the role play, we'll have a brainstorming sessions, right? So we will have a CRP rounds, right? A number of things, many are there.
Okay, I got it.
You'll be transformed as a real-time consultant. That's it. No second thought.
Okay.
That's it.
And what difference in their cost for each program?
Sorry?
Like how it is what are the cost for these two programs?
I already answered. Somebody asked the same answer.
Is it? Oh, maybe
I think
maybe I
you were not
disconnected.
there then. Okay. I just see. In the program 2, we have 4 phases.
Okay.
Phase 1, 2, 3, 4. Out of 4, first phase is equal to this. And again, not 100% equal, because when you attend from your space, etc., you attend the classes and you may practice, may not practice. But same first phase, what you are attending, if you are in this program, what you take from this is too much, because it make you mandatory. You have to give the presentations, discussions. All people will give only negative feedback where you are lacking. And I'll conduct the review meetings. In front of me, I will ask you to give presentations, right? Your language, your confidence, your facial expressions, the way of thinking, the mindset, many things. You'll get a lot of inputs and you'll become powerful with this program. Equal to that in the first phase itself, it makes huge difference. Let one person do this program 1, what you are doing through online, same let the person do on this program 2 as a phase 1, huge difference.
I see.
And more than that, we have 3 more phases. Phase 3, advanced means up to 0, nothing will be left. Phase 3, phase 4, see, what you pay, it's nothing. What you pay, you will get within 1 month salary. You'll be roaming on the floor with a line, courage. Otherwise, you will be roaming on the floor like thief.
So may I ask you the cost for the program 2 and 1?
Talk to the team, because many questions, at least I'm trying to answer to a few questions.
Sorry, okay.
Yeah. Now let's proceed with the program 1 related questions only, please. If you have any questions related to program 1, please.
Hi, Lakshman. Thanks for providing all the answers.
Thanks. Yeah, please.
I have only one question. is it okay for financials? And coming to SCM, the course curriculum of procure to pay and order to cash, is it any chance to order management also? It's any teaching?
See,
Because
if you are
it's very useful for us.
yes, no, see, if you are planning for Oracle Fusion Financials, nobody will allow you to touch order management. Okay, with experience, I'm telling. But
Okay.
if your learning expectation you are asking, right? I'm telling with
Yeah.
the experience. You no need to
Oh,
touch that. You may feel if I learn OM, it would be good. It may be good, it will waste your time, it may create some point of view, but you never touch it. Still,
okay.
you are a bit crazy to learn, no problem. I'll be even in the past, I used to take SCM classes also. From that, I'll pull and I'll push a few videos for you. You can go through it, but I don't recommend.
Yeah.
You can leave it. That's it.
Yeah, because is it very hard to teaching right? Teaching very few members, so that's why.
No, 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 I'll do that for you. If you want, what I'll do is I'll pull few videos from my SCM classes, which talks about order
Oh,
management. My suggestion is
okay.
based on that, don't practice, don't do anything. Just watch, okay? Watch,
Okay.
feel, and leave it. Finance,
Yeah.
do everything, complete entire cycle,
Oh,
not only watching, just watching, writing, reading,
oh,
right?
okay. Yeah.
Presenting, practicing, reading again. I'll tell you the complete cycle once we get into the classes.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Lakshman. Thank you.
Yep, thank you. Thanks. Next question, please. Only related to program one.
Hi, Lakshman.
Yeah, Prashant.
I got cleared all my doubts. The only doubt is the program one is online. Is there any offline?
Because program one, why you need offline?
I resigned my job because of this course.
Oh,
So I joined in other institute. I'm not happy there.
better be in the program too.
I want to be, but I'm checking my all family some issues. So maybe if possible, I'll
No, no.
finish
Only
in
the point
2 months.
is you resigned job. You resigned means you took a big decision, right? And
Yes,
whatever the
Lakshman.
action you are going to take, it should bring better results. For sure results, 100% guaranteed results.
So because of the course only, I resigned and took the course in some other institute. I'm not happy. So I'm within a 2 3 months, maybe with this program, I am planning to get job because still almost I wait.
Yeah, now,
I
now I got
wasted
your
like
story. But unfortunately, the program one, we don't have any offline. It's a completely online. Yeah. Now see, very simple. I'll just let me make it simple. Now your hands are completely free. So attend each and every class, follow each and every point what I would say about application or about the learning process. Then you will become powerful. Do that. Now you have enough time in your hand. Set target 10 hours per day. Right? You may
yeah.
not be in the program two. Set 10 hours learning for this program one. It will happen. I will explain when we proceed further.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, Lakshman.
Yeah. Thanks. Next question, please.
Hi, Lakshman. One generic question.
Yeah.
So, which course that does have more job opportunities? Is it supply chain or the financial one?
Finance only. See, finance, always finance. It may be EBS or see, you look at banking, okay, financial institutions. When they implement what they implement, finance implement, SCM, HCM, SCM, PP, manufacturing and all, they don't need. You take any company, any sector, any segment, any vertical of businesses, top priority is finance. That is the reason it got huge demand. Any company, they'll go with the finance. After finance, what extent they have to go? Procurement is enough along with the finance. So, okay. Or else finance plus procurement or directly SCM done. Or else manufacturing company, manufacturing applications also. Some project-based companies, real estate, infrastructure companies and all, they'll along with these, they'll go with the PPM, project applications. So finance is evergreen. How we need finance money in the same way every company also need finance applications, because everywhere maintaining money is very important irrespective of any business. So depending on the nature of business and all, rest of things will come into the picture, but finance by default will come into the picture. So finance is powerful. It will keep you demand always in the market. That is the reason long back I choose finance. So it's not because I'm taking classes on this. By default, finance is.
Yeah, got it. Thanks, Lakshman. Thank you. Yeah.
Hi, sir.
Yeah, please.
Sir, actually, I'm a fresher and I'm studying this chartered accountancy course.
Yep.
So this program one will be helping. I mean, after all this training, these applications and all. After all, will you teaching us to for the financial reporting and all, for the profit and loss statement and all?
Yeah, yes. When tomorrow, when we are working, when we are going to, if you are planning to get into this Oracle Fusion Financials, yes, it will help you. Yes, we will have a session on that, how to prepare any financial report. There will be
On this
a
Oracle.
session on that. It's a pretty simple because it's not like manual, right? System, everything data would be available. It's all about drag and drop, report will be generated. It's not pure manual. You will learn that.
Okay, and my second question is that will you be providing any like course completion certificate? No?
See, yeah, you cannot do anything with that. If you need, we can provide. Okay, see, getting certificate from ERPTREE, nothing. Gaining skill, even if you have certificate, no use. If you want certificate, we can get it. So if you are thinking about certificate, you may do from Oracle. But again, I don't recommend at this stage. If you need, we can provide.
You will be providing. Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thanks. So any next question? Anyone?
So, Lakshman, I have one. So this instances like that you are going to provide us will be like everything will be working like in that, right? There won't be any
Yeah,
issue.
all applications, SCM, finance, HCM, PPM, within the finance, all applications. Yes, full access. You'll get full access, complete access, no restriction.
And is there like the instant refreshes also going on like in between
Yeah,
sometimes?
that is a cycle. That is a cycle what Oracle follows that we follow.
Right.
Everywhere.
So what would be the duration for that one?
See, sometimes weekly once they refresh, sometimes 2 weeks once, sometimes 3 weeks once, sometimes if time is not good, after 2-3 days also they refresh. Sometimes, unfortunately, if you get instance today, you'll start doing after 1 hour, it will get refreshed.
Okay, so there won't be any
There
particular
is no
right
fixed cycle, it's a random. Because what
random.
Oracle
Okay.
sees how much data is created within that, right? So it's
Correct.
all practice purpose, right? Dummy data.
Okay.
Refresh.
Okay.
Again, you can start doing. For that, we have a few approaches where you can save your time. Those we will discuss once we get in.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. How
So,
you
and
can
my
save the
second
time,
question
even
would be.
instance is refreshed, that we will discuss. Yeah.
Okay. And my second question would be like, so today is our first session. So tomorrow, will you take the second session?
Yeah. Tomorrow is Saturday, I guess, right?
Tomorrow, second. It's Saturday, right?
Yeah. Saturday we'll have a session. Yeah. Monday to Saturday.
Monday to Saturday. Okay. Yeah. Perfect.
Yeah. Sometimes since Saturday you might be traveling and all. If you cannot attend wherever you are, you can attend in the mobile also, right? Otherwise, so whenever you get time on the same day, you can go through the video. I'll be uploading within 30 minutes after session.
Okay.
We'll keep all every session video in the Google Drive and we'll give you the access. And what you can do is you can download the videos and you can share with your friends also. Let them learn. Find the partner.
Right.
Right? Or else share the money what you pay.
Right.
That's it. You can share the instance to your friend also. Right?
No. That
Everything
will.
No. Do it. I am telling.
Oh, okay.
Please do it. Be smart. Utilize the options. Yeah, that's how it is.
I mean, thank you for your.
Yeah, no.
Yeah.
How to accept. We should not be fool enough, right? When we're doing something, just see, to run something, I'm charging, right? I should not be fool enough. People should not learn from this. I am releasing the videos. Videos are downloadable. Only the reason is the people who can pay, they will pay and they learn. Who cannot pay, at least they will learn from the videos which they get from their friends, or in the market, many people are selling also. Many complaints we got from different people. Your videos are selling. We never touched one person also. Let them sell. The people who are selling, they may get some benefit. The people who are buying, definitely they'll get benefit. That is the purpose I'm releasing the
Absolutely.
videos. Otherwise, who is releasing the videos downloadable?
Yeah, correct.
Okay, by becoming full, I'm not releasing. Okay. So by looking at what value it will create to many other people who cannot pay. See, there are many people whose salary is 20,000, 30,000, 40,000. They just, they arrested themselves with EMIs and many other things, but they are very smart. They have a good qualification. They can speak in English. They are very powerful, but this after all 20, 30, 40,000 should not kill them for next step. Right.
Right.
That is the reason I'm just releasing what possible from my side.
No, thanks for your kind gesture and everything.
No,
Thank you.
just very simple, very simple. I don't take any
Yeah,
credit. It is a possible I'm doing. That's it.
Right.
Yeah, that's it.
Lakshman,
question,
one
please.
more question about Instant.
Yeah.
Will we individually have to pay or rent it out this Instant from the provider? Sir,
No. You will
like
get
Amazon.
free. You will get for free from this program. You don't need to pay anything for instance. If you
Okay.
subscribe this program, instance is free for you.
For this 6 months or 2
4
months,
months, 4 months.
whatever.
You are not in the program too, right? Program
Okay.
for 2 months, but you will get instance access 2 more months after program also.
Okay. So who is this provider? Like instance?
We will provide.
If you
Forget about source.
okay.
Everything should come from Oracle only.
Oracle only.
Oracle
Okay,
only,
okay.
right? Oracle only, but from our hand you will get it.
By purchasing this program, this instant will be free for
Exactly.
next 4 months.
Yes.
Okay. Because usually the Amazon and all, they give some for time, they give him on time basis. So after breaking this
Amazon, that
time,
is a different. That is a different. Inside nothing would be there. You can put anything and you can run. That is a different story. Here,
yeah.
environment you will get with applications. This is the different pack.
So okay. Thank you.
You will get from ERPTREE. That's it. You will get from ERPTREE.
Okay.
You don't need to contact anybody. You don't need to think about it. Just start attending the classes. Where is my instance? You can ask ERPTREE. Before you ask, we will share.
Okay.
Hi, Lakshman.
So,
1 second. Let him complete, please. Yeah.
So we can either join for program 1 or program 2, but both will be sitting on the same classroom online.
No. Online,
no.
no. If you are in program 2, we recommend you to come to program on the floor. But you don't have time, not possible for time being. This 1 or 2, 3 months, not possible. No problem. Be in the
They can
program
sit.
1. When you
They
come,
can sit in the
floor,
program 1. Okay.
when you come to the floor, then what you missed being in program 1, first level also, first phase also, those will complete. From there, we will move forward to phase 3, phase 2, 3, 4.
Okay.
That's how it is. The best option is be on the floor.
I see. Okay.
You
Thank
will
you.
become ultimate. You don't believe yourself how your life will get changed after 6 months. That's it. I'm
When floor starts?
Sorry?
When floor starts, like offline, when it will start?
Yeah, every month we start, and in between also we onboard the people. If you are ready, we are ready.
Okay.
So, Lakshman, assume that we are on the floor and we are kind of being in a serious discussion, working on this process and everything, and then we are attending office calls and everything. So, will that not interrupt the session that you are conducting on the floor in the classroom session?
No, while working, you want to be in the program too?
Okay.
I'm asking you.
Yeah.
While working.
So no. I will not be.
See, let me tell you another point. The people who are working still wants to be on the program too. At least they have to come Saturday and Sunday.
Yeah. Okay. Makes sense. Yeah.
Yeah, Saturday and Sunday they should come to they should be on the floor.
Makes sense.
Okay.
Yeah.
At least if not possible immediately, at least after 1 or 2 months. Meantime, they can start going through these basics.
Noted.
But other days, Saturday, Sunday, they should be on the floor. Other days, we expect at least they respect Oracle Fusion financials with a couple of hours by investing. That is expectation. If you are coming only Saturday, Sunday, not enough. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, every day, at least 1, 2, 3 hours, whatever possible, right? So that time you have to invest.
Okay, Lakshman. Thanks.
And the program completion will be in your hand. There is no guarantee. 6 months. You may complete within 6 months, 7 months, or 8 months also, because your style is totally different, right? That's how it is. Yeah, let's proceed with the questions. Yeah, please. Prashant, if you have any question, please. I could see you raised your hand. It was earlier. Leave it. Yeah. Any other questions, please?
Hi, Lakshman.
Yeah, Srinivas, please.
What is the cost of program one?
Sorry?
Price.
Price, talk to the team. Talk to the team. Any program. It could be one or two. Talk to the team.
Actually, I talked to the team, but they didn't said anything about program one.
Is it? Okay, okay. Yeah, you talk to them. You talk to them. If required, you can ask them to arrange call with me also. That is also okay.
Okay, sure.
Yep. If you have any challenges with the team, you ask them. You want to talk to me, they will arrange.
Okay, sure.
Yeah. And again, I am telling, it may be program one. If your English is not okay, don't waste your money. Just go and join spoken English. Without English, don't do any IT related courses. You'll waste your money. Many institutes will entertain you. You go there, they don't worry about your English. They will worry about what is in your pocket. Okay. Please try to understand this point. Don't do this program also. If you don't join, we don't get your money, but still we are okay. When you are not getting benefit, why we should get benefit out of you, right? So it's very, very simple and clear. If you are not okay with English, don't join program one. Anyway, program two not allowed if somebody is not okay with English, but program one we will allow, but you have to think through. You have to think through. Be smart, be wise. Okay, don't waste your money. Don't go with your gut feeling, courage, etc., etc. Nonsense. Many people tried and understood, they became fooled. If you are okay with English, don't go with I can understand, I can manage different stories, narrating and joining, wasting everything. Go
Where
and
is this
join in the
office?
spoken English. Fee also very less, 3, 4, 5,000. Your life, your everything will become powerful. Once you are able to speak in English without mistakes, you can take any program. If not Oracle, something else. Folks.
Where is this office, Lakshman? Your corporate office in Hyderabad?
JNTU, High Tech City.
Acha, okay.
Yeah.
Thanks.
So any questions, please? And again, the office, whatever I presented, this is only for training. We are not doing any consulting. We are not doing anything, nothing. Okay, even there were some proposals from the people consulting, we can do, etc. Offshore development center. I'm not interested. I'm very much passionate about training. That is the reason I love training. So when I just teach, I teach the best what is possible. I love that from my side myself. So that is the reason I love to train with the passion I'm doing. That is the reason I didn't show any interest as a business to get into something else when I train. So that's the person life will be changed. That I love, I want. So that is the reason I'm into training. The space, whatever I demonstrated, 10,000 SFT, where we are paying huge amount per month. This is everything we are using for training purpose only. People will come and sit, they'll enjoy, they'll sit a nice place. That's how it is. Yeah, only for training. It is not like I'm showcasing and we are doing something else and we are running the many other things on the floor. No, only one flavor you see on the floor is Oracle Fusion Financials, nothing else. Yeah, please
Lakshman,
go ahead, Samir.
Yeah, may I know you said SFT? May I know what's that?
Oh, square feet, area.
Oh, okay.
Saying,
Sorry.
square feet.
Okay, got it.
Sorry for that.
Okay.
Yeah. Any other questions? I'll be available for 10 more minutes, even no questions in between. If you just get something into your mind, you can ask me. Ask silly questions also. If it is going to be useful, don't think, hey, in front of these many people, I should ask. No, no, no. Don't worry about others. Only worry about yourself, your questions,
Lakshman,
everything. Any sort of question, nonsense
Lakshman,
also you can ask. If those will help you to do this program or to take some decision about your career, you can ask me.
Lakshman.
Lakshman,
Please.
Yeah, hi Lakshman.
Prashant, please go ahead.
Lakshman, in program one, what will be the highest package like? for freshers or for experienced candidate?
Same here and there, no difference. So one or two, there is no difference. All about how many years you claim the experience, right? See, there are people who are claiming 4 years of experience. They are getting around 20 lakhs. The people who are claiming 5 years of experience, they are getting in between 20 to 25. The people who are claiming 6 years of experience, they are getting 25 to 30 or more than that also, more the experience means. That's a market, what you see. Whether you have experience, you don't have experience, I'm not talking. The people who has claiming based on that years of experience, what are the packages are working in the market, I am talking.
So Lakshman, can we join program one, and then if we think we need to get benefit out of the two, so then we can switch to program two. Is that feasible?
Yeah, feasible during the program one only, the switching should takes place.
Okay.
Because that's a different pattern that we can talk to the team.
Sure. Okay.
Yeah, possible. You can be in the program one. Before completing the program one, you can jump into program two. If you jump later, it is a different. Again, later after program one means program two is again program two only.
Okay. Thanks.
Hi, Lakshman.
Yeah, please.
Lakshman, can we get DB access as well?
Yeah, database
Because in
access.
this-
Yeah, you'll get it. I'll take
Okay.
the session itself. I'll take you through how to you can do that. It's because cloud in EBS and all on-premise separate way of connection is required, but in cloud it is embedded right within that. Just you have to take the navigation. You can connect to database. You can write the queries. You can see the data. In our
Okay.
classes, I'll take you through.
Yeah, thank you, Lakshman.
Yeah. Any other questions?
Lakshman, one more.
Yeah, Shubh. Yeah, please.
A pharma background, working in pharmaceutical for nearly 10 plus years. Can we think about this program?
Do you have bachelor degree in that?
Yeah, master's in that.
Done. Can be.
So, okay. So then program 2 should be opted, or one would be fine with that?
If you want to become ultimate, program 2, like
Okay.
you want to try program 1.
Okay. Thank you so much, Lakshman.
Yeah, thanks.
Hi, Lakshman.
Yeah, Varun, please.
Actually, I'm working as a PeopleSoft consultant. I am into technical,
Okay.
PeopleSoft technical consultant. So how beneficial it would be for me to learn the functional aspects of Fusion and jump into that sector?
See, if you look at the world or this Oracle world, any world, things are becoming simple. Means the technicality is going to be reduced and things moving towards functional front, right? You might have seen many people who moved from PeopleSoft to Oracle by this time, because now PeopleSoft Oracle acquired. They are not focusing on the PeopleSoft. Since PeopleSoft, they moved as a part of Fusion HCM solution. Even they have finance, they didn't take from that. So now focus is less on PeopleSoft from Oracle side. Accordingly, we have to move. Many people who worked as a PeopleSoft finance consultants, HCM consultant, they moved as a Oracle Fusion learnings. That's how they just resume their career. And if you are on the technical, better my suggestion is move to functional. Don't be in the technical scopes are becoming less these days. Okay, everything is becoming easy with the technology and the platforms, etc. In past we used to do the too much of coding and all. These days things are converted into drag and drop, very less coding, minimal coding, zero coding. So you can, if you are interested, okay, or else if you want to be in the demand and all, yes, you can get into this. I'm not asking your qualification also. I'm not worrying about your track. You are saying technical, but still this you can learn from the scratch. Since you know about PeopleSoft and all, you will be finding relevance within this. Learn from the scratch. Don't take much time, and you can just the story how people are doing the same. You can do, claiming some years of experience. Already you have experience, just you will be translating. That's how you
One
can
more
make it.
doubt, one more dilemma I was having, as you mentioned, shall I move into technical fusion or into finance or functional of
Yeah,
fusion?
anyone
So,
you can choose. Anyone you can choose. See, very simple. You love technical. You love coding. Okay, you want to use your brain more. Go to Fusion Technical. No, you don't love your technical. You have been struggling. If any requirement, all the times requirements are different, new. All the time you have to just go with the different logics, and it is becoming challenge. When you get some issue, you are the creator. You have to fix it. If you have all the stories aligned with you, leave technical, jump into functional. Okay. In functional side, you don't need to take any headaches. If anything wrong, Oracle should take care of. You don't need to see anything related to technical coding related. Only functional, whatever appears to our eyes, that only you can cover. What is not appearing to eyes, that Oracle should resolve it. But in the technical, what is not appearing to your eyes, also you have to go and debug and you have to figure out, because technical means you are the creator. You will become creator. You should become a solution maker. In case of functional, Oracle is the creator, just we are a functional. If working fine means working fine, we will use it. If it's not working, we will report to Oracle saying that is not working. Please look into that and fix it so that we can use it. That's how, that would be our primary role. And functional means one time learning. Technical means all the time you have to keep upgrading the technology, tools, this and all, keep evolving and keep changing. You should become a lifetime learner till you stop your technical role. If you are a functional, one time you learn, right? All the time buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. That's it. It's a limited scope of learning, or you can utilize this office hours also maybe for your personal life.
Yeah, sure. Thanks.
Anything is okay. Anything is okay. But when you talk about technical functional, technical scope is less in the Fusion also. If you take example of any project, say 20 members are there in one project. Out of 20 members, 2-3 members are technical, remaining all are functional. Those could be finance, SCM, HCM. Functional is huge demand. Even if you want to travel to on-site tomorrow, functional people are required to travel if they are interested and all. If you want to travel to US, you want to settle down in the Middle East countries, etc. Functional people are very much required because they have to talk to the client. They are frontline people. Technical, just nothing. Functional people will pass something, they will do it. By this time, you know that.
That answers my question. That answers my question. Thank you. Thank you for that.
Yeah. Any other questions?
Hi, sir.
Yeah.
I have seen one job profile where they are asking REST SOAP APIs. Not sure.
Your voice not that much clear like others.
Okay.
Yeah, now it's okay. Yeah.
I'm okay. So I have seen a job profile. They are asking fit gap analysis and build security go
Yeah,
live.
you learn that because I mentioned here. See, if you look at if you look at this, I mentioned 15 hours real-time learning. There you will learn.
Okay.
What is the requirement gathering? What is the solution design? What is the fitment gap analysis, gaps, workaround, customizations, CRPs, UATs, data migration, right? 15 hours talk. Okay.
And there is a one term
These
called
all will be
Western
live.
SOAP.
One second. Sorry. These all would be live classes. This 15 hours, you will get recorded class videos. Okay. Recordings you will get 15 hours. Same. Just you have to understand. These all are live classes. This complete all the applications will spend real time related 15 hours. You will get recorded sessions. You can go through. When you go through, if you have any questions, you can ask me also.
Okay.
Go ahead with your question.
I have seen one term called REST and SOAP. I don't know.
Yeah,
APIs.
REST and SOAP, the technical. Those are API names.
Okay.
API. Okay. REST.
I have seen that in functional profile, so I was a bit worried.
No, it won't be.
What is this again technical?
REST means, see, there may be point should aware of this. That's it.
Okay.
Right.
Got it.
So REST and
got it.
REST is powerful. SOAP is not powerful. That's how technical point of view. Yeah. Because REST will give you energy, right? What SOAP will give us? Only path. Yeah. That's how it is.
Yeah, that's it from my end.
Great. Any other questions, please?
Yeah, Lakshman, one question.
Please.
So once the course one is completed, do you provide any real-time questions and answers for the interviews to
No.
prepare for?
During this, when you are about to complete this, I'll take on session how you have to prepare for interview and etc. You will be able to generate a number of questions based on that. I'll give the formula. I'll talk about it. I'll give you samples. Yeah, you can.
Okay. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. Next question. There is no time limit. I'm ready to be up to afternoon also. Ask me questions.
Hi, Lakshmi. So you said just now, like,
please, Prashant. No. I think connection is not proper. So voice is breaking. Please fix it and go ahead.
Just a second. Now it's all. Now it's audible. I'm audible.
Yeah, let's test it.
Hello.
Go ahead.
Yeah. So you just said me that like 15 hours of the practice session will be given as a recorded sessions, right?
Correct. Real time
So,
related classes.
Okay, but real time we cannot work on that. Like how it is like we need to practice. You be providing
No
the
need to
videos.
practice anything there. No need to practice. No need to
Okay.
practice. It's all like understanding. Say tomorrow you'll go and stand in the project or you'll sit in the project.
Okay.
The manager says, hey, we have CRP. You don't know what is CRP.
Exactly.
Tomorrow we have UAT or else a discovery meeting, requirement gathering, gap analysis.
Okay.
These are all like you will be in the different world.
Okay.
And okay, you know what is CRP, what is it before, what is after, in CRP, what we do, etc. This all you should know, right? That's a complete story. What happens real time, you'll understand. So that when you are in the real time environment, you will be able to understand what is going around you, and you will be able to take the action accordingly. Otherwise, for everything, we have to get a fear.
Okay. Fine. Understand.
Yeah.
Thank you. And also, Lakshman, can we get this video also? Like,
yes, you will
which
get
we
it.
can, because we need to, I know, to refer my friend also.
No.
So,
We will upload initial few videos. We will upload in the YouTube and we will share the link.
Okay.
Forward, maybe after 5-6 classes, we don't upload the YouTube. That will place in the only Google Drive. You will get access.
Fine. Sure. Thank you.
Yeah, this video we will release within 30 minutes after completing the session.
Okay, fine.
Yeah. See, if you have a friend, okay, refer this, okay, tell him not to pay. You'll get meeting link, share meeting link. What are the fee you have to pay? Both share. Got it?
Okay, sure.
Don't allow him to pay. Both you can share because he's friend. That is a benefit you can take.
Okay. Thank you.
Next question, please. Any questions?
Lakshman, do we cover the workflow, approval process, everything?
Here we call as a BPM. Yes, we will cover invoice approvals, journal approvals.
Okay.
Expense approvals. Yes, as per EBS we call as a workflow. Here the same we call as BPM, business process management. Yes, we will cover.
Yeah. AME means here what we call?
BPM.
AME also BPM only.
No, see, very simple. As per EBS, AME, approval management engine, right? That AME here we call as BPM, business process management.
Okay.
In that we will have a workflows, because in EBS the workflows and all we use PL SQL, right? Here those are all are built with the BPL language, business process execution language.
Okay.
That's
okay. So we have other module like Oracle collections module, advanced collections.
Oh, see, those are like out of the scope. These are the primary. These you can learn. Those are small pieces only. Even by just by going to YouTube also you can learn. Those pieces are there.
Okay.
It's a primary. Those are like small add-ons. So pretty much possible you can learn from YouTube also. Couple of hours.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. questions.
Any other questions, please?
Sir, any weekend batches like instead of regular batches?
No weekend batches we have. See, do one thing. If you are looking for weekend batches, you can proceed with this batch. You get time only in the weekend. We can sit and play these videos. If not, 1 hour other day, you attend in the week time in the class, ask all your questions. Or else if you have questions, you're not able to join 9 o'clock, etc. You ask the team, they will arrange the call with me, or else we will have a dedicated support team who can answer to all the questions. See, ultimate target is learning.
Okay.
So that way
And
we can go with
this,
the workaround.
okay, this you said like 8 a.m. to 9:30 and 7 a.m. to 9. It's two batches or it's a.
One only. See, I mentioned
Uh,
initial 10 days from today.
okay.
10 days. We'll follow 8 a.m. to 9:30. After 10 days, we are going to prepone the batch timings from 8 to 7.
Okay, initial 10 days only you are saying.
Exactly. Another point, you don't have time to attend these classes. Still, you can go ahead with this because you will get videos.
Okay.
Whenever you get the time, go through it. Whenever you get a questions, queries, etc., you ask our dedicated support team.
Okay.
We'll have a support team, right? They'll be available. They can answer. Otherwise, sometimes you can join the class. At least you can ask me also the questions.
Okay. Okay.
That's
Thank
it.
you.
So next question, please.
What about this SCM, PPM? You teach only finance or
Only
SCM,
finance.
PPM also?
Only
Okay.
finance. I teach SCM also, but
Okay.
there are no compared to finance. There are no much openings in the SCM. That is the reason. See, which is working, we have to focus. You or me or anyone, right? So that is the reason I stopped SCM. Now only finance huge openings. If 3 openings are there for finance, means SCM you may find 1 out of 10.
Okay.
7, 8 openings on finance, 2, 3 openings on SCM.
So now you are not covering
When you
at
talk
all.
about PPM, 9 openings for finance, 1 opening for PPM.
Okay.
Yeah. So that is the reason now, as of now, we are not dealing with SCM.
Okay. Okay.
What about PPM? I mean, is it a good idea to have PPM along with financials?
See, when you talk about PPM, it's very, very process driven. And based on the industry also, real estate, infrastructure, this, that, different industries also, their business requirement doesn't fit with the standard application most of the time. So the consultant who is getting into that, they have to take that pain. See, why we are doing the job? Month and salary. How to take it in the smoother way is important. Go with the finance. Your finance will become easy. The easiest area track is finance. After easiest, little difficult is SCM. Very, very difficult is PPM. And HCM equal to SCM, I can say. It's a little complex because even your functional, you have to deal little technical stuff, payroll related. Okay, the very, very easiest is finance. It's a simple, straightforward, one-time learning, no technical, not too much of process driven, simple transactions. That's it.
Sir, if we take in program 2 means, sir, am I audible?
Yes, you are audible. Please go ahead. Yeah, please
Sir,
go ahead.
If I take in program 2 means, in program 2, will you only teach the whole program, whole course, or any other staff will teach us?
Okay. So the maximum, because this is vast, too much, right? Maximum will be covered by me. There will be few areas where we get some very experienced guests also. because you will be just experienced with different trainers also in this. Primary is mine only. Primary is mine. There are a few areas where you will entertained with by other trainers.
Yes, sir. Sir, and also another doubt, sir. Sir, in program 2 also only completely the program will runs in only English. Am I right?
Only English, because only English will work in IT.
Yes, sir. Sure, I agree with
Do you
it.
know, on the floor we don't allow anyone to speak in English. Sorry, we don't allow anyone to speak in other language other than English. There is a rule on the floor.
Yeah.
They should not speak other than English. And again, 9 to 12:30 silence hours. No one should speak. 2 to
Yeah.
5:30 silence hours. No one should speak, because you may be good. You are on the floor to learn, but other two fools will talk. Right? They will disturb you. That is the reason we have a
Okay.
strict rule. 9 to 12:30 silence hours. 2 to 5:30 silence hours. Still, if they want to talk, they have to go to some cabin and they have to talk. If any phones, we don't allow on the floor. They have to go out and they have to speak. Many things are there.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Only English on the floor. Only English. No other language.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Actually, I heard about you a lot of things, sir.
But
because
nothing is
because
there.
your
Only I'm running this
previous
program.
yes, sir. Because your previous batch members also referred to me to try to go with program.
Voice is breaking like anything. See, forget about me. Like, see how others are not important for us. How we are is important. You become powerful. That will become great. Forget about this guy from ERPTREE Lakshman. That's me. I think he has some challenge with the network. Any other questions from anyone, please? You are back. Yeah, please. If it is working, go ahead. Any questions from anyone, please? Any questions, please?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any questions, Venkat? Okay. No issues. You have some issue with the network. Any questions from others, please? Just ask me the question if you think that will help you to understand something, to get some clarity. Any kind of question. Question is question. Small or big question is question. Question is important.
So, Lakshman, can I contact the same person who sent me this link regarding the fees and all?
Yes, you can talk to the same person. Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Yep. Okay, since no questions, we are going to wind up this session. We'll catch up tomorrow, same time, 8 o'clock. Okay, today is the first session. So tomorrow would be the second session.
Hello.
Yes, Chandan, please.
Yeah, hi, Lakshman sir. Good morning. Actually, I joined late, so I just want some clarification. Just regarding this course, sir, what are the course included regarding the financial, supply chain, or whatever the things? Just I
No,
want to
that
know.
much we cannot carry. Only one we have to carry. Only one vehicle.
Okay.
Okay. Only we will drive one vehicle. That is financials. We have many vehicles.
Fine.
Finance,
Okay.
HCM, PPM, EPM, this, that, etc. So
Okay.
powerful vehicle is finance. So that we are going to drive. That only we are going to learn financials.
Okay. Only finance, right?
Only finance. Enough. Why
Okay.
only finance? Enough. That is the reason. Yeah. That's
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah. Any other questions, please? Last question, please. We'll take one final question and we'll close.
Sir, am I hello?
Yes, go ahead, Venkat.
Sir, if I take in program 2 means, did I have to bring my personal laptop or will the institute provide the laptop also?
See, your English is okay or not? See, did I bring the laptop and all you are speaking? What do you say about your English?
Yes, sir. I will tell I am good, not an expert.
Learn English and plan for this. That is my personal suggestion. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Sure, definitely.
Yeah. Okay. So yeah, if you learn
Okay,
English,
sir.
you can come and because we have validations here. Okay, people will test your English. Then if okay, then only next step will take space. So yes, to answer to your question, yes, you have to carry your laptop.
Okay.
You have to carry your own laptop. That's it.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
I will go through it. I will learn the English and
Yeah, because
next I will
see
proceed to
if
it.
you know English, your academics
Yeah.
will get power. Otherwise, those are just papers. Just papers.
Okay.
You have to
Okay.
do, we should not say we have to do labor work only. Even we have a great qualifications. If no English means, why I'm calling labor, not really labor. It's a small amount of salary because you will be in the big competition. Who cannot speak in English?
Yes, sir.
Very important. Okay. So just take with the top priority, please. Just respect your
Yes,
qualification,
sir. Sure, definitely.
please. Yeah. Done. Yeah, I think a question from
Thank you.
Amir seems to.
Yeah, Lakshman, regarding laptop only, is there any specification requirement to meet this course
Nothing,
need?
nothing. If it is working, bring it.
Okay.
Very simple. Things are very simple.
Thank you.
You are not going to store anything, nothing, right? Even the drive access, what you get, it will be in the Google Drive. You don't need to put in your laptop. If you want to download and keep, yes, you can keep. Those are less weighted. Okay.
That means we work everything on cloud and all.
Yeah, everything cloud. Nothing we are going to install in our laptop.
I see.
If you are,
Okay.
if your laptop is working to use Facebook, it's that's enough.
Great. Okay.
That's how it is simple.
Okay, great.
Yeah. Yeah, sure.
Hi, Lakshman. Good morning. I actually have a overall experience of 4 years, but from past 3 years, I'm not working just because I have a son. I need to look after him. But I'm doing part-time jobs, which are not related to my actual work experience. But now I really wanted to get into the workforce. So do you think after I get into this course, would this really help me to get a good job?
See, in the beginning also I mentioned, okay, the same point I'm going to address again. Forget about past.
Yeah.
No need to carry anything. Only what you have to carry, your academics. Bachelor
Yeah.
degree, do you have or not? If you have a 3, 4, 5 years of gap after your bachelor degree, right? That's good enough. Okay. So do you have experience? You don't have experience? Do you have a gap in your education? Do you have a gap in your experience? Doesn't matter.
Okay.
What you are going to do is you are going to learn something which is powerful.
Yeah.
With that, you want to travel. That's it. You should learn how you should learn. Then anyway, you are okay with your English, you are okay with your bachelor degree. Forget about past. If it is useful, we will utilize. If it is not useful, still we don't bother about it. That's how it is simple.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks. Next question.
Lakshman, again, a very personal question regarding the movement from my place to Hyderabad. Actually, it's the first time I'm coming there, and I have no one. I mean, I can search online and all for accommodation and all. So, if we have any connection with someone doing this business accommodation provider.
See, the point is, I don't know from where you are planning and all. People came from Dubai, USA, where Ukraine, not what is that? Some other country. I don't remember. from different countries also they came for this program. And
Okay.
on the floor, the people who are on the floor, 90% people accommodation is very next to our office building only.
So
90%.
uh-huh.
Not only from other countries, from India also, like from all the cities. Take Pune or Delhi or Mumbai. From all the cities, people are on the floor now.
Hmm.
Okay, if you are planning from somewhere, maybe other country or the other city, okay, here you will not have any challenge because next to office there are many PGs. Next to walkable distance, 5 minutes.
So after came to floor only, I can
No
I
need to
can
make the
connect.
inquiry. Come to floor from our office. Somebody will take you to analyze that pieces which are available here. That all 1 hour task for you. You get
Okay,
that help from that floor.
great. Okay, I got it. Thank you.
So it is.
Hmm.
Any questions, please?
So you mean, Lakshman, regarding the course beginning of program 2, this will start every month, first week, isn't it?
Every month, yes. Every month, first week, correct.
So say for April 2nd or like that. So for say April, when it will start?
Mostly first week, but
First
see,
week. Hmm.
we start every month, every first week, but the people are not like as we start. They join whenever they want to join,
Yes, yes.
right? See, if you join today, the count starts today, right?
Yes.
Yeah. That's how it is. Here we'll discuss on the floor with the people when we are attending classes, etc. I talk to them. Just once they complete, etc., etc., I talk to them. We'll calculate.
Hmm.
So how much salary you are expecting? This much. That means how much per day you are getting. You are going to get. If you are
Hmm.
delaying that much, you are losing per day. Every day 4,000, 5,000, 6,000 you are losing. So that's how we
Hmm.
do the calculations. So every day also very important because if you are not working, you are losing that much amount more than earning.
Hmm. Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Lakshman, is there any opportunity in freelancing also? Because before being in full-time job, if you get some real-time project offer, that could be fine, right?
See, freelancing anytime you can get it. Freelance, see, once you should be okay with the subject, right? Could be
Um,
full time or freelancing. How you get? You have to complete. You have to learn everything. You should get eligibility. What is your choice? Accordingly, you can go. Many people who are working full time, same time they are doing freelance jobs. Few people are doing 2 jobs. Few people are doing 3 jobs. First job payroll and all, they'll be making the payment to the same candidate. Remaining 1 to freelance jobs, the salaries they'll be sending to their family members' accounts. That's the reality. What we want, we can choose, but first we need that stuff with us. Just acquire the skill set, then play the game. That's it.
okay.
Yes,
Okay.
you can do parallelly also. One job, see, you may get work from home facility, right? Option. Along with that, you can take freelance. Otherwise, you are not
Yeah, but
interested to go with the payrolls. Take 2 freelance jobs because that may get double amount, right? Monthly, double salary,
yes,
right?
because a full-time job surely will not get that much confidence to be in a full-time job initially.
Correct,
But
correct.
if you
No. Because it's all what you have in your pocket, right? If you have 100 rupees in your pocket, your confidence is one way. If you have a 1 lakh or 1 CR, the confidence will be changed. Person is same, time is same. What you have with you. So how much
yeah,
you are learning is matter. How much powerful you are with that stuff is matter. Otherwise, one job also will become difficult. If you are powerful, 2 jobs also nothing, right? The
got it.
skill set is matter. Rest are not that much great.
Got it.
Yeah.
Thank you, Lakshman.
Yeah. Thanks. Any next question?
Um, Lakshman, is there, do you provide the EMI for 6 months or
Talk to
two
the team,
months?
because here just only, again, if you get into that, again there'll be child questions related to that. That is the reason I'm not getting into that. But talk to the team, they will help you. One call is enough. Talk to them, you'll come to know all the possibilities.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. Yeah. If no questions, we can wind up for today. Any questions, please? Great. No questions. Okay. So thanks for joining this session, and I really appreciate your participation. And we'll catch up tomorrow, same time. Okay, sharp 8 o'clock. And you will get different meeting link, not this link what you received yesterday or day before yesterday. So you will get a new meeting link, and we'll connect at same time, 8 o'clock tomorrow. Thank you all. Have a great day.
Thank you so much, Lakshman, for your training.
Thank you.
Thank you so much,
Thank you,
sir.
Lakshman.
Thank you, Lakshman.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you for your powerful presentation. Thank you very much.
Yeah, appreciate it. Thank you so much. You can drop so that I'll end it.